Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create a professional e-commerce website by using one of the most popular multi-purpose WordPress theme named as Litho Multipurpose Elementor WordPress theme. If you come to the inverter market, here you can see in the new bestseller this Litho theme coming in first position. Now without wasting time, let me give you a brief preview about this Litho theme. This Litho theme provides you 37 stunning demos, and these demos you can import in your website by just a single click. This Litho theme is not just a theme, it is a complete solution. You will have endless possibilities of elements and customization. Litho makes your site extremely flexible and powerful. This Litho theme is a complete multi-purpose theme because by using this theme you can easily make any type of corporate site, designing agency site, professional site, freelancer, blog, e-commerce, yoga studio, restaurants, architectures, marketing, freelancing, travel, gym, interior designer, SEO, application, fashion website, furniture website, photography website, spa website, magazine, home decor website, cafe website, hotel website, etc. This theme provides you almost 200 plus of creative content pages. By using them, you can easily create awesome websites. And in this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create a e-commerce website from scratch. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to import the demo, but in this tutorial, I'll teach you about all the features and the functionalities about this Litho theme. So after ending this tutorial, you can create any kind of professional website by using this Litho theme. This Litho theme uses Elementor page builder for creating the pages, and you will get almost 200 plus creative elements in Elementor for creating awesome website pages. The person who does not have any kind of coding knowledge, they also can create beautiful website by using this Elementor page builder and Litho theme. This Litho theme provides you almost 10 plus type of portfolio style, so you can easily portray your presentations. By using this Litho theme, you can create various kind of blog posts also. As you can see here, there are several kind of blog posts present in this Litho theme. This Litho theme fully support WooCommerce plugin, so you can easily create awesome e-commerce website by using this Litho theme. Also by using this Litho theme, you can create different kind of mobile menus also. This Litho theme comes with premium plugins like Slider Revolution and comfortable with many other plugins also. As you can see here, it supports Elementor page builder, WooCommerce, Slider Revolution, W3 Cache, WPML plugin, Contact Form 7 plugin, Yoast SEO, Mailchimp, and so. Litho theme is built for extraordinary performance. So whatever the website you will make by using this Litho theme, that will load in your website in very high speed because it is very lightweight theme. Also it supports W3 total cache, so the performance of the website will be very good. And this theme is totally SEO ready. This Litho theme comes with inbuilt header and footer builder. By using this Litho theme, you can easily design your own mini header, footer, archive portfolio, page title, promo pop-up, and side icon layout. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create custom mini header, footer, how to create custom page title and promo pop-up. I just requesting you, please watch this tutorial from starting to end, so you will get a detailed idea about this Litho theme. And after ending this video tutorial, you can create awesome website by using this Litho theme without any kind of help. And in this video, I'll providing you the free GPL version of this Litho theme, what you can easily use in your website. So I have a request, please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now without wasting time, let me introduce you with the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So at the top, here you can see the top bar, here you can see some text, it's showing some offers, and here you can see my contact number and address. After that, here you can see the logo, and after that, that is my main menu bar, and after that here you can see search icon. When I click on that, this kind of professional search pop-up will appear, and after that here you can see the cart icon. After that, here you can see a beautiful slider with lot of animation effect. Next, here you can see some icon boxes like free delivery, 90 days return, and etc. After that, here you can see some promo boxes, and these promo boxes are linked with the particular category. Like if I click on the men's collection, it will redirect me in the men's dress category like that. After that, here you can see some new products, and when you hover on them, here you can see the add to cart option is appearing here. After that, here you can see some promo boxes like summer collection and fashion lookbook, and here you can see some offer countdown is going on. After that, that is the blog session. Next, here you can see the newsletter session. It's really looking awesome. And after that, here you can see the footer, and in the downside here you can see the logo again, and that is the copyright line, and here you can see some social media icons. And after that, let me come back to the about us page. So in the top of the about us page also, here you can see a custom header. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create the custom headers also. And after that, here you can see some company overview and some about text. Here also you can see some heading with a video pop-up. When I click on that, this kind of video pop-up will open. And after that, here you can see all the sponsored brand. Next, here also you can see some information about the websites. It's really looking awesome. Even here also you can see a slider, that is a image slider or image carousel. After that, here you can see some heading, content and some list item. After a beautiful button also you can see here. Next, here you can see some icon boxes, and here also you can see a beautiful image with a video pop-up option. When I click on that, as you can see here, this video pop-up will appear, and in the downside here you can see some headings and one get started now button, and here you can see some counters. After that, here you can see the team session, and it's really looking awesome. As you can see here, when I hover on them, it's showing that I'm creative, and here you can see some social media icon links for the particular person. Now let me come back to the shop page. So in the top of the shop page, here you can see a beautiful header. After that, at the left hand side here you can see so many filters, like filter by price, filter by category, filter by capacity, color, so and so. And at the right hand side here you can see so many products, and in the downside here you can see the pagination also. Now let me come back to the order tracking page. So in the order tracking page, here you can see it asking the order ID and billing email address for tracking the order. Now let me come back to the blog page. So in the blog page, here you can see so many blogs, and after that, at the right hand side here you can see the blog sidebar. If I click on the blog, then the detail of the blog will open, and it will look like that. It's really looking awesome. As you can see here, that is the blog title. After that, blog feature image. At the top here you can see the published date, category. After that, writer name. After that, here you can see the previous post and next post option. Here you can see some social media icons. By using them, you can easily share this blog in your favorite social media. And after that, in the downside here you can see some related post. Now come back to the contact us page. So in the contact us page also, here you can see a beautiful header session. After that, a big Google map. After that, here you can see some icon boxes. After that, here also you can again see some video pop-up option. After that, a beautiful contact form. This contact us page is really looking awesome. Now let me come back to the shop page again. Now let me try to create a order. Suppose I want to buy this item, so I'm clicking on that. So after that, I have to add this item in the cart. So for that, I have to click in this add to cart option. So as you can see here, one pop-up is added, and here also you can see this product is already added in the cart. Let me click in the view cart option. So as you can see here, that is the product. It's asking for the coupon code if you have, and after that, here you can see the subtotal. After the shipping charges and total. After that, you have to click in this process to checkout option. So in the checkout page, here you can see in the top, it asking that are you a returning customer, then please click here for the login, and if you have a coupon code, then it asking to apply it here. So let me first of all add the billing details. So after that, it asking for creating the account. Yes, I want to create the account also. So here I have to enter the password. So I already entered the password. After that, if my shipping address and billing address is different, then I have to check this one. But suppose if my billing address and shipping address is same, then no need to check this one. If you want to write something in the order note, always you can write it here. After that, in the top here you can see the product subtotal, shipping charges, product total date, and after that here you can see the payment method. So there are total two type of payment method is available. One is cash on delivery and another is credit card / debit card. This is the Stripe actually. So suppose I am choosing cash on delivery. After that, I have to check this one for accepting all the terms and condition. Next, I have to click in this one, place order. So as you can see here, so that is the thank you page. The thank you, your order already received, and that is the order details. I mean that is the order number. After that, that is the date at which time I place the order. After that, order email ID, order total, payment method. Here also you can see all the details. In the downside here you can see the my account page. From there also you can access all the order details. So that is the my account page. So from there you have to come to the order. So as you can see here, the order status showing in processing. Now let me teach you how as a admin you can process the order. That is the client page. Now let me switch back to the admin page. So that is my admin dashboard. So from there, for processing the order, you have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in the order. Here you can see a notification because you already get the order. So as you can see here, I already get the order, and that is the order ID, the order person name. I get the order before 2 minutes. The data showing processing. For opening the detail of the order, you have to click on the order. So here you can see all the details option. Suppose as a admin you already complete the order, so you have to change the status. So here you can see the status. So you already complete the order, so I have to choose completed. And after that, as a admin you have to update the order. So once as a admin you update the order, now let me again come back to the client window. So that is my client window. So as you can see here, the data is showing in processing. Let me refresh the page. So now you can see the data should be changed. As you can see here, now it's showing as completed because admin already completed the order, so it's showing completed. If you want to watch the detail of the order, then you can click in this view option also. So from there also you can get all the detail about the order. So in this way, a customer can create a order and you as a admin you can process the order. Now without wasting time, let me start to create the website. Now for designing this site, actually I am not going to use any real domain name or hosting account. I am going to use local server name as XAMPP. So for that, first of all you have to open a new tab and you have to search for the XAMPP. After that you have to click in this link apachefriends.org. After that, here you can see the download option. Click on that. If you are a Linux user, then you have to download this one, and if you are a Mac user, then you have to download this one. But I am a Windows user, so I have to download this one. Click on the download option. So as you can see here, my downloading already started. I already downloaded and installed, so I am cancelling it. So when you download and install the XAMPP, after that here you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. I mean this one. Once you open that, it will look like that. So from there you have to click in the start option for the Apache and start option for the MySQL. You have to open another new tab, and after that you have to type localhost, and after that you have to click the enter key. Next you have to open this one, phpMyAdmin. So now you have to create a new database. So for that, first of all I have to click in this new option. Suppose my database name is Litho, and this database name is totally case sensitive. So after writing the database name, you have to click in this option, create. So as you can see here, my database already created. So now I have to download the WordPress file. So for that you have to type here wordpress.org. So once you open that wordpress.org, this page will open. So from there you have to click in this get WordPress option because I have to download the WordPress. So scroll down, and here you can see the download WordPress 6.0 option is available. Click on that. So as you can see here, my download already started. So at the time you have to open the file explorer, and after that I install the XAMPP in my F drive. So I open the X drive, and from there I have to open this folder XAMPP. If you install the XAMPP in C drive, then you have to go to the C drive, and after that you have to open the XAMPP. So hope you understand. So once you open the XAMPP, there will be a folder named as htdocs. Open that. Next, what I have to do, open this WordPress zip file, and after that what I have to do, you have to drag and drop this WordPress file into the htdocs. It will take some time for copying the file, so please wait for that. So once everything get copied, after that I have to close this zip file, and after that I have to rename this WordPress file. Click in the rename option, else select the file and click in the F2 option. So I am giving the folder name as Litho. You can give any name, it's up to you. Next, what I have to do, you have to open another new tab, and after that you have to search for the Litho. After that, click in this first link, Litho Multipurpose Elementor WordPress theme, and from here you have to buy this theme. And for your practice purpose, just pause the video and go to the video description. There you will get a link. Just click on that, and you have to download image folder and Litho folder. And once you place them in a single folder, it will look like that. So that is the image folder. So all the images what I'm going to use in this video tutorial, everything is there. And after that, here you can see a zip folder, and it is password protected. And for getting the password, you have to watch the entire video. In this video only I clearly mentioned that password. Once you get the password, just right click and you have to click in this option, extract to Litho. Next, you have to enter the password. Again I am telling, for getting this password you have to watch the entire video. In this video, in two places I clearly mentioned the password. So you have to copy that and paste it here. let me write the password, and after that you have to click in the enter option. So after that you will get this folder. So that is the theme folder. You can easily purchase that. It's costs only $41. If you don't want to purchase, then always you can use my theme folder. It is totally GPL licensed, so anyone can use that, but there is only one condition. You have to watch entire video for getting the password, because I mentioned the password inside this video only. So once you done, you have to open that htdocs folder inside the XAMPP, and here also you have to open this Litho. After that you have to open WP content. Now what I have to do, you have to open the themes, and from here just drag and drop the Litho file inside the theme directory. So it's done here. Next what I have to do, you have to open another new tab and you have to type localhost/Litho. Next you have to click in the enter key. This setup page will open. So from there you have to choose the favorite language, and after that you have to click in the continue option. Next you have to click in the let's go option. Now it asking the database name. Hope you remember I give the database name as Litho, as you can see here. So here I have to write Litho, and it is case sensitive. Next username, that will be root. Password I does not require, so remove it, and after that you have to click in the submit option. After that you have to click in the run the installation. Next it asking the site title. Suppose I am giving the site title as Litho. Next username, I am giving the username as admin. Password also I am giving as admin. It's a dummy website, so I am giving the username and password both admin and admin, but I highly recommend it. Please use a strong username and password. And after that you have to check this option, confirm password, and here you have to write your email ID. After that you have to click in this install WordPress option. Next you have to again click in this login option. After that again you have to mention the user ID and password, and after that you have to click in the login option. Next this dashboard window will open. So from there you have to hover on the appearance and you have to click in the themes option. So here you can see the Litho theme. Just you have to click in the activate option. So as you can see here, this theme already activated, so don't worry, because it's a fully GPL licensed theme. Okay, so next what I have to do, you have to click in the install plugin option. So from there you have to select all the plugins, and after that from this drop down you have to select install option, and after that you have to click in the apply option. It will take some time to download all the plugin, so please wait for that. So once all the plugin already installed, again you have to click in this return to required plugin installer. From there again you have to select all the plugin. Now from this drop down you have to select activate, and again you have to click in the apply option. Just wait for some time. So as you can see here, all the plugin already installed and activated. Now if you want to import the demo, then you have to click in this import demo option. This WordPress setup wizard come, I will set up that later. So click in this skip setup store details, and after that I have to click in the no thanks, because I'll discuss later how to set up the WooCommerce, so don't worry about that. Hover on the appearance and click in the theme setup again, and now you have to click in this import demo option again. Now if you want to import the full demo, then just you have to click in this full import, and if you partially import the demo, then you have to click in this individual import, and after that you have to select which page or which post or whatever you want to install. You have to select that, and after that you have to click in the import selected item. After that, if you want to delete the demo media, then you have to click in this delete demo media, and if you want to delete the demo data, then you have to click in this delete demo data. Hope you understand the import process of the Litho theme. So now I am going to teach you how to set up the WooCommerce. So for that I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and next you have to click in this settings option. So now here in the store address you have to enter the store address. So after that you have to select the country and state also. So I am from the Telangana, India. So let me search for the Telangana. So here you can see the India-Telangana. Let me select that, and after that in the GL option, selling location, I want to sell my product only in India. So I am choosing this option, sell to a specific countries, and from here let me search for the India, this one. And after that shipping location, I want to ship my product only in India, so I am choosing ship to a specific country only, and from here again I have to search for the India. Next what I have to do, enable taxes obviously, and the currency will be INR, means Indian rupees, and after that I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the products tab. So in the products tab, as you can see here, the pages not created automatically. So first of all let me create the pages. So for that what I have to do, come back to the pages. Now just search for the WooCommerce page shortcode and open the first link. So from here you will get all the shortcodes. As you can see here, for the cart page, let me come back here and create the page first of all. So for that I have to click in this add new option for creating a new page, and after that the page name I am giving as cart, and you have to click in this option, and here you have to search for the short code, this one. So the short code for the cart page, that will be this one. Just copy that, come back here, paste it, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So my cart page already created. So now I have to create checkout page. So you can come back here, click in this W option, and after that again I have to click in this add new pages for creating a new page. The title of the page, that will be checkout. Again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the short code. Click on that, and from here for the checkout page, the short code will be this one. Copy that, come back here and paste that, and after that again I have to click in the publish option. Next again I have to click in this W option. So now I have to create my account page. So you can come back here, click in the add new option. So I am giving the title as my account, and after that click in this, click in the shortcode option, and that will be the shortcode for the my account page. So let's come back here, and in the bracket you have to write that shortcode. Click in the publish option again. So next I have to create this order tracking page. So again come back here, click in the W option. After that again I have to click in the add new option, and I'm giving the title as order tracking. Again I have to click in this, I have to search for the short code, click on that, and from here I have to copy this short code. Come back here, paste the short code here, and after that you have to click in the publish. Now I have to create another page, I mean shop page. So again I have to click in this W option. Again I have to click in the add new option. Page title I am giving as shop, and after that I have to again click in the publish option. Once done, you have to come back to the dashboard. So for that again I have to click in this W option. Just hover on the WooCommerce, and after that you have to click in the settings option. Now come back to the product tab. So here actually I have to search for the shop page. Click on that, and here let's search for the shop page, this one. And after that in the measurement unit, the weight unit, that should be in gram. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So after that I have to click in the tax option or tax tab. In India tax is known as GST. So I have to create a new tax class name as GST, and after that again I have to click in the save changes. So in the top, now here you can see the GST date. Click on that. So first of all I have to click in this insert row option, and the country code for India, that will be IN, and after that the tax percentage, suppose 10%, and after that I have to check both of these check boxes, and after that you have to click in the save changes. So the tax setup is complete. Now I have to set up the shipping. So click in the shipping tab. So first of all I have to create a shipping zone. So for that you have to click in this add shipping zone option. You can click here, else you can click here also, it's up to you. I am giving the shipping zone name as India, and after that here I have to click in this add shipping method. Next again I have to click in this add shipping method. Now let me click in this flat rate. Suppose for each and every product I want the shipping charges should be 50 rupees. So here I have to enter 50 star QTY. Next you have to click in the save changes. But there is a problem. Suppose you are selling small product as well as big furniture, big products, like you are selling clothes as well as you are selling big refrigerators, like that, I mean big furnitures. Then the shipping charges should not be the same, because for the big product, for the heavyweight product, obviously the shipping charges will be high. So for that I have to create a separate shipping class for the heavyweight category. So for that here you can see the shipping class option. Just click on that. Next I have to click in this add shipping class here. So I am giving the name as heavy, okay, and after that you have to click in the save shipping class. Again I have to come back to the shipping zone. Again I have to click in the India. After that again I have to click in the flat rates, remove the rate from here, and for the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for that suppose I want for every product the shipping charges will be 250. After the start sign, and in bracket you have to write QTY in small letter, and after that you have to close the bracket. And the product which is not belong to the heavy shipping class, I mean for the normal product, the shipping charges will be 50 rupees per every product. Next you have to click in this save changes option. So hope you understand how to set up the shipping charges. Next, payment. Click on the payment option. So by default here this 3 payment option is available. From there let me enable the cash on delivery, but I want the Stripe payment gateway also. Now let me teach you how to enable that. So for that first of all actually click in the save changes. Now I have to install the Stripe plugin. So for that hover on the plugin and click in the add new option. This page will open. So here actually I have to search for the Stripe. You will get lot of plugin, but I highly recommended install this one, this Stripe by Web Trophy. Click in the install now option. Just wait for some time. Once installation complete, I have to activate that also. So again I have to click in the activate option. Next, at the same time, you have to open a new tab and you have to search for the Stripe. After that, you have to click in this www.stripe.com, and I already have an account, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Next, you have to enter the username and password, and after that you have to click in the sign in. So as you can see here, it's in progress now. So that is my Stripe dashboard. So from there you have to click in the developers option, click in the API keys. So from here actually you will get publishable key and secret key. I need both of these. So now I can come back here. So here you can see a new option added, web copy Stripe. Just click on that, and from here you have to make it live mode. After that, just copy the publishable key from here, come back here and paste the publishable key here, and after that in similar manner you have to copy the secret key, also come back here and you have to paste the secret. Now scroll down, click on the save changes. Once done, again I have to come back to the WooCommerce settings. So for that, again hover on the WooCommerce and click in the settings option. So again I have to come back to the payments method. So now here you can see lot of payment method already added here. So from there I am enabling this option, this credit/debit card, and from there you have to click in this manage option. Make sure this should be enabled. After that, in title I want it should be credit/debit card. Even in the description also, even in the pay button also, I want credit card/debit card. Enable this option and scroll down, click in the save changes. So my payment setup is complete. Now I have to come back to the account and privacy tab. So in the account and privacy tab, first of all I have to enable this option, this option, this option also, and uncheck this one. Scroll down and click in the save changes. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now directly come back to the advanced option, because here I have to set up the pages. So the cart page, just search for the cart here, because you already create the cart page, so it will automatically search the page as you can see here. Now for the checkout also, just search for the checkout. Just type 2 to 3 words, it will automatically search. And after that, my account, just type mine, it will automatically search that page. So as you can see here, it automatically search. Terms and condition, suppose I am taking this page, privacy policy. Scroll down, click in the save changes. So the setup process of the WooCommerce is completed. Another important thing you have to do, just hover on the settings and you have to click in the general option, and you have to enable this membership option. Scroll down and again you have to click in the save changes. After that you have to click in this permalinks. So in the permalinks I have to select this post name. After that, just scroll down and click in the save changes. So now I have to create the product categories. For creating the product categories, just hover on the products and you have to click in the categories. Now before creating the product category, I need to upload all the images. So for that I have to click in the media. Now you have to open the folder which link I already gave in the video description. From there you have to open the images. Now what you have to do, you have to select everything, and after that just drag and drop all the images like that. It will take some time to upload all the images one by one, so please wait for that. Once all the images already uploaded, again hover on the products and click in the categories. Next, here you have to mention the category name. After the scroll down, click in the upload/add image for the thumbnail. Now you have to come back to the media library. From there, suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image, and after the scroll down, click in the add new category. Now let me add some subcategory for the bag. For that, again I have to write the subcategory name, and in the parent category I have to select bag. After that, again I have to upload the image, so I have to click in the upload/add image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the used image and scroll down, click in the add new category. So in this way you can add the subcategory. Let me add another subcategory like laptop bag, and after that again I have to upload the image, and make sure the parent category should be bag, because I want to add the subcategory for the bag. So again I have to click in the upload/add image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the use image, scroll down, and again you have to click in the add new image. So in this way I have to add all the category and subcategory. So when you adding the subcategory, you have to choose the main category name as parent category, and when you adding the main category, it should be none. Hope you understand. So now let me add all the categories and subcategories. So as you can see here, I already create all the main categories and their subcategories. So now I have to create the attributes. For creating the attributes, I have to click in the attributes option. After that, I have to enter the attribute name. Suppose I am giving the attribute name as capacity. Next, I have to click in the add attribute option. So now I have to add the value for the capacity attribute. So for that I have to click in this capacity here. Now I have to add the values. like 15 liter. After that again I have to click in the add new capacity. After 30 liter again I have to click in the add new capacity, and after that 5 liter again I have to click in the add new capacity. Now for adding another attribute, again I have to click in the attribute option. Next another attribute, suppose size, and after that again I have to click in the add attribute. So now I have to add value for the size. So again I have to click in the size. I'm adding the value as large. Again I have to click in the add new size. After medium again I have to click in the add new size. Small, add new size, and after the last value I am adding as XL. Again I have to click in the add new size. Now again I have to click in the attribute option because I want another attribute name as color. So here I have to write color. Next I have to click in the add attribute option. So after that I have to add the value for the color. Again I have to click in the color. Now one by one I have to add all the values like black, after that blue, orange, red and yellow. So again I have to click in the add new color. So I almost add all the attribute and their values. So now I have to create the product. For creating the product you have to click in this add new option. Next here I have to enter the product name. After here I have to enter the product description. Suppose this product belongs to women's dress category. So from the category I have to select women's dress, and the subcategory will be suppose party dress. If you want to add any product tag, always you can do that. Suppose I am giving the tag name as party, and after that I have to click in the add option. Now this product is a simple product, so I am keeping simple product only, and after that here I have to enter the product regular rate, suppose 2500. If any sale is going on, then here you have to enter the discounted rate, suppose 2200. And if you want to schedule the sale, always you can do that. Suppose this sale will start on 25th of the June and this sale will last till 29th of June, like that. And after that this product is taxable or not. Yes, it is taxable, so I am selecting taxable. After the tax class, that will be GST. Next you have to come back to the inventory option. So here I have to enter the SKU. SKU stand for the stock keeping unit. Every product should have a unique SKU. After that manage stock, if you want to enable that, always you can do that. Suppose you have total 60 product in your stock, so here you have to mention 60. After that sold individually, if you enable this option, then in a single order one client can buy this product only single time. That is not mandatory. So in the shipping, actually here I have to enter the weight, suppose 250 gram, and here you have to enter the length, width, height, and after that shipping class. This product belongs to the heavy shipping class or not. Suppose this product not belongs to the heavy shipping class, so here I have to enter no shipping class. Next come back to the attribute option. Suppose I am adding the color attribute. So from this drop down I have to choose the color, and after that you have to click in the add option. So now I have to add the value for the attribute. Suppose this product belongs to red color, so I am choosing red, and after that I have to click in the save attribute. So after that here you have to enter the product short description. After that here you have to add the product image. Click on that. Suppose from the media library I am selecting this image. Click in the set product image, and after that here you can see the product gallery image. Click in the add product gallery image. Suppose from the media library I am taking this image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time you can select multiple images, and after that again you have to click in the add to gallery. After that you have to just scroll up and you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can add a simple product. Now let me teach you how to create a variable product. So for that again I have to click in this add new option for adding a new product. After that here actually I have to enter the product name. I am giving the product name as laptop bag. After that here I have to enter the product description. This product belongs to the bag category and the subcategory will be laptop bag, and the product tag I am adding as laptop, and after that you have to click in the add option. Next from this drop down I have to select variable product. Yes, this product is taxable and the tax class that will be GST. The inventory, so here I have to enter the SKU. For the variable product no need to enter the SKU here. If you want you can enter, but later also you can add the SKU. Next I have to come back to the shipping option. Shipping option is also not mandatory for the variable product. Now the most important thing, come back to the attribute. So from here let me choose the color attribute. After that I have to click in the add option, and from here suppose I am choosing red color and blue color. You have to check both of these check boxes, and after that again I have to click in the save attribute. Now suppose I want to add another attribute name as size. So for that from here I have to choose the size, and again I have to click in the add option. So as you can see here another size attribute is also added. So from here suppose I am taking large size and medium size. After that I have to check both of the check boxes, and after that I have to click in the save attribute option. Once done, come back to the variation. Now from this drop down I have to choose create variation from all attribute. After that I have to click in the go option. clicking the OK. So another pop-up will appear that 4 variation already added. Click on the OK option. So now for the blue color and large size, first of all I have to upload the image. So from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, and here you have to enter the product regular rate, and here you have to enter the product discounted rate, and here you have to enter the product SKU, after the product weight, after that product length, width, height, shipping class. The shipping class same as parent, means normal shipping class. After the tax class also same as parent. Next come back to the blue color and medium size. So for that let me search for the image. Suppose I am taking this image, and again I have to click in the set variation image, and here the regular rate suppose 700 and the discount rate suppose 650. After that product in stock, yes, weight suppose 300, and after that length, width and height. After that remaining I am keeping as it is. After that red color and large size, click on that. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this image, click in the set variation image. The rate is 800. No sale is going on. The weight is 300 gram. After that here you have to enter the length, width and height. Again red color and medium size. Click on the upload image option. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image. Suppose the rate is 750 rupees and the product in stock, yes. Here you have to enter the SKU. I think I forgot to add the SKU for remaining items also. So here also I have to add the SKUs. Now let's come back here. The weight of the product suppose 500 gram, length is 40, width is 10 and height is 50. Remaining I am keeping as it is, and after that you have to click in the save changes, and after that here you can see the product short description. So here actually you have to enter the product short description. Now here you can see in that variation default values for the color suppose blue and for the size suppose large, and whatever the default value you added here, the similar image you have to upload here. Click on the product image, and suppose I am taking this image, clicking the set product image, and after that I have to add the product gallery image. So click in this, and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the add to gallery. So in this way you can add a variable product. Scroll up and click in the publish option. So now let me add all the products in different categories, and after that I will come. So as you can see here, I already added so many products in different categories. So now I have to design the slider. For designing the slider, just scroll down and you have to click in the slider evolution. Next you have to click in this new blank module, click in the start guide, next step, again next step, again you have to click in the go to editor. Now click here, and from here enable notebook, tablet and mobile. Now I have to come back to the layout option. Here I have to change the height, it will be 870. After that for the notebook it will be 644, for the tablet it will be 910, and for the mobile devices it will be 868. Click in the save changes. Now I have to click here. From here I have to make it colored, and the color I want this color. After that I have to click in this correct option or OK option. So now I have to add this text. So let me come back here, hover on the add layer, hover on the text and click in the quick style headline. After that from here I am choosing this style, click in the close option or cross option, click in the content, and here I have to write dress up your style. After that come back to the style option. The size I am taking 25 pixel. After that I have to change the color also. I want little bit pink color. I think that's perfect. Now click in this OK option, and the position make it center align like that. After that again hover on the text, and again I have to click in the quick style headline, and from here suppose I am taking this style, and this time my content will be summer collection. Place it downside. After that come back to the style option, make it 80 pixel. Line height I am taking around 65 pixel. After that I have to change the color also, and I want it should be in black color. Again I have to click in the OK option. After that I need a button also. Let me place them little bit upper side. I think that will be quite perfect. And after that I have to add a button. Click on the button. I have to choose this style, drag it down, and after that close this one. Come back to the content. My content will be shop collection. I have to decide it. I think that's perfect. Next what I have to do, I have to add the images. So first of all hover on the images, and from here I have to click the WordPress library, and from the WordPress media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert option. After that I have to resize it a little bit, drag it here like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I need another image. Again hover on the image and click in the WordPress library, and from the WordPress media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert option. After that again I have to resize the image a little bit, drag it down and place it like that. After that again I need another image. Again hover on the image and click in the WordPress library, and from that suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert option. After that I have to place the image like that. I think that's looking quite perfect. Next, I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to switch back to the notebook preview. So in the notebook preview also, I think everything looking quite perfect. No need to change anything. If you want, you can always resize everything. Let me click in the save option. Now I have to switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, drag it little bit down like that. After that, I have to make the image size little bit bigger. I think that's quite perfect, and place it little bit middle side. Now let me resize them also, and after that let me resize this one also. Next, the text size also I have to make it little bit bigger size. This text should be appear here, make it little bit bigger, and after that I have to increase the button size also, so you can make it easily. I think that's looking perfect. And now again I have to click in the save option. After that, come back to the mobile preview or mobile mode. So in the mobile mode, drag the image down little bit. I have to resize the image. I think that is looking quite perfect. Now what I have to do, I have to resize them also, and the position should be here, even for this one also. I mean for this orange image. Okay, that's looking quite perfect. And after that, make it center aligned. Click in the content and click in this. Okay, now it's looking perfect. This one should be appear here, and after that in the downside I need this button. Make the button size little bit bigger. If you want, you can make this little bit bigger, and after that if you want to make it center aligned, click in this size and pose, and from there you have to make it center aligned. Even for this one also, even for this button also, I have to make it center aligned. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Click in the save option. So now what I have to do, I have to add the animation effect. So better to add the animation effect in the desktop mode so you can understand better. So first of all, let me add the animation effect for this text. So select the text layer and click in the animation, click in the in. So from here, suppose I am taking this one. So many options is available, you can choose anything. After that, for this one, suppose I am choosing some another animation effect like this one. And for the button, similarly I am choosing this effect. And after for this image, I mean for this girl image, suppose I am choosing this one. And for this background images also, I have to choose the animation effect, click in the in, and suppose I am taking this pop effect. Even for this one also, I mean for this blue colored image also, let me choose this effect. And after that I have to play with the timeline little bit like that. It's quite easy. And after that, once you place the timeline perfectly, you have to click in the save option, and after that you have to check the preview. For checking the preview, here you can see the preview option, just click on that. So as you can see here, my preview is loading now. Okay, everything looking quite perfect. Now let me check the preview for the notebook, and for the tablet it should appear like that, and for the mobile devices it's appearing like that. Everything perfect. Now click outside, come back to the content, hover on the slide, and just here you can see the duplicate option is there. Click on that. Now for the second slide, click on that. Here the content will be this one. After that I have to change this main heading also. So my content will be this one. I have to change this image also. Click in the media library. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert option. I have to make some minor adjustment now, like this image size should be little bit bigger. Now let me come back to the notebook mode or notebook preview. So drag it little bit up like that. After that, for the tablet preview, it's coming like that. I think it's perfect. Now for the mobile preview or mobile devices, it's coming like that. So you can do one thing, resize it little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Now again I have to click in the save option. Again let me come back to the desktop mode or desktop preview. After that, again hover on that, and again I have to click in the duplicate layer option. Click on this, and in this time my content will be this one. The main heading, that will be this one, and I have to change the image also. Click in the media library. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert option. Now I have to adjust the image. I think that's looking quite perfect. If you want, you can make it little bit smaller also. Okay, that's perfect. Now let me come back to the notebook preview. So in the notebook preview, it's coming like that. Let me increase the size a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Now let me come back to the tablet preview or tablet devices. So in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. Make it little bit bigger size, the image. Remaining I'm keeping as it is. And now come back to the mobile preview or mobile devices. So in the mobile devices, I think that will be the perfect. So once done, what you have to do, you have to click in the save option, and after that hover on that and click in the desktop. Now I have to add the navigation. So for that I have to click in this, click in the arrows, because I want to add the arrow. Enable that, and from here you can choose various options. As you can see here, once I change them, the navigation arrow also gets changed. You can choose according to your need, but I am choosing this one. Next, just scroll down. Here you can see the show always, just make it off, and after that you have to click in the save option. So the designing of the slider is complete. Now I have to start to designing the home page. So for that, again I have to hover on the page, and I have to click in the add new option. Now I am giving the title of the page as home. After that, in the layout setting, I am keeping everything default. After that, come back to the header and footer setting. Mini header, make it on. Remaining I am keeping default. I mean here also I'm keeping default, in the footer also I'm keeping default. After that come back to the page title, so from here I have to make it up, remaining I am keeping as it is. After that come back to the comment setting, here also I am keeping it default. Now let me click in the publish option. Once published, after that I have to click in this edit with Elementor option. So my home page should be look like that. So first of all I need this slider, so let's come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that from here the content width, make it full width, column gap make it no gap, enable the test session, and after that click in this, and here I have to search for the slider. So here you can see the slider definition 6, just drag and drop it here, but as you can see here I unable to drag and drop it here. So you can do one thing, from the navigator window select the session, come back to the advanced option, the margin top let me give 100 pixel. Now easily I can able to click in this plus option and let me search for the slider again. Now just drag and drop the slider revolution 6 here, and after that I have to click in the select module and click in the plus option for the slider 1. Next again I have to click in this session and come back to the advanced option, and from there I have to remove the margin from top and bottom side. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So after that I have to design this icon boxes. So you can come back here, click in the plus option, I am taking single row and 4 column. Come back to the advanced option. So in the padding here you have to select REM, and from every side I have to take 6 pixel. Next I have to click in this plus option. Here I have to search for the icon box. As you can see here Litho icon box is available here. Just drag and drop it here like that. So from here I have to search for the truck icon. I am taking this one. Click in the insert option. The title will be free delivery and the content will be contact support team. The icon position that will be left, title HTML tag, make it span. Now come back to the style option, vertical aligned, make it middle. Now click in the icon. From here I have to change the color, click in this, and from here I am taking this color. Spacing I am taking 30, size I am taking 35. After that click in the content. First of all I have to click in the typography for the title. The size I am taking 16. After that weight I am making it 500. Next color I need that should be deep black color, remaining I am keeping as it is. Now just click in the hover, and here also I have to make it deep black color. I think now everything looking quite perfect. Right click, click in the copy. After the right click here, click in the paste. Even here also right click, click in the paste. Even for the last one also right click, and you have to click in the paste option. Now I have to click in the second icon boxes, and here I need this rotate icon. So let's come back here, click in this, and here let me search for the rotate. I need this one. Click in the insert option. After that my heading will be 90 days return. Come back here. So here I have to mention 90 days return, and my content will be this one. So let me come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that click in the third one. So here I need this checkbox icon. So click in this, and here I have to search for the check. So here you can see the checkbox icon. Click in the insert, and here my title will be secure payment. Come back here, and here I have to mention secure payment, and after that will be my content. So copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. Now let me click in the fourth one, and here my icon will be this headphone. So let's come back here, and here I have to search for the headphone. I need this one. Click in the insert option, and here my title will be expert support. Come back here, here I have to mention expert support, and my content will be best price guarantee. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention that. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that, but I don't want it should be look like that. Click in this, and in the layout make it 50. Even for this one also click in this, and here I have to make it 50. Click in this, here also I have to make it 50, and here I need some margin top also. Come back to the advanced option. So unlock it. The margin top I am taking around 20. Even for this one also click in this, and in the layout I have to make it 50, and after that come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 20. That's perfect. But the color gets changed here, the title color especially. So for that what I have to do, click in this, come back to the style option, and come back to the content. Here you can see the color, I have to make it black color. Even for the hover also I have to make it black color. Now switch back to the mobile devices. So in the mobile devices also I have to change the color, and in the mobile devices I need another changes also. So what I have to do, I have to click in this edit session option and unlock the padding, and the padding from all sides just make 1 rem, and here also click in this and come back to the style and content, and here the color I want black color. Even for the hover also I want black color. So now what I have to do, as you can see here, only for the single item the color gets changed. So you can easily copy the style. Right click here and click in the copy, and here I have to right click, and here you can see the paste style option is there. Click on that. Even for this one also right click and click in the paste style. Even for this one also right click and click in the paste style. Now if I switch back to the mobile preview also, as you can see everything looking quite perfect. So now again let me switch back to the desktop mode. So after that I have to design this promo boxes. So for that again I have to come back here, click in the plus option, and in a single row I want total 4 column, click on that, and after that I have to click in this edit session option. As you can see here, this session is totally full width. So for that what I have to do, I have to make it full width, and this session I have to enable this. Now I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the fancy text box. So here you can see Litho fancy text box. Just drag and drop it here like that. From here style I am choosing style 15, click in the image, click in this, and from the media library I want this image. So let me search for the image. I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After the title, that will be men's collection. If you want to link the title with the men's dress group, then you have to enable this one, and after that here you have to enter the link for the men's dress category product, but it's a dummy project so I'm not giving the link here, but you have to give that. Next I have to click in the button. I have to add an icon, click in this. Suppose I am taking this icon, click in the insert. After the size I am making it 50. Now let me come back to the style option, directly come back to the title option. As you can see here I need this pink color, so let me come back here. So here you can see the color. Let me add this pink color as a global color, because this pink color I need several times. So for that you have to click in this. Here you can see the global color, and here you can see a gear icon, just click on that. After that here you can see add color option. So here I am giving the hex code for the pink color. I need this color. After that I have to click in the update option. Once updated I have to click in this close option. So now click in the title. Now you can easily change the color. It's quite easy, just you have to click in this, and from here you have to choose the color. And for the hover I am choosing white color. Now come back to the button. Here I am keeping everything as it is. Now directly come back to the overlay, because as you can see here in the demo website, when I hover on that, some overlay color added here. So here actually I have to add the color. So for that click in this gradient option. For the first color I am choosing this color code, and for the second one I am taking the transparent color. Next the location I am making it 120. After that here you can see the angle I am making it 80. Hover on that. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Now just right click here, click in the copy, and after that here I have to paste it. Even here also I have to paste it. Don't paste it in the third column, because in the third column I need an image. I'll do it later. Now click in the second one. After that come back to the image. From here I have to change the image, because as you can see here in the demo website I need this kid image. So come back here. From the media library I am choosing this kid image. Click in the insert media. After that click in the title. So here I have to write kid collection. Similarly click in the fourth one. So here also I have to change the image. Click in the image, delete the image. After that you have to click in this plus option for choosing the image. Suppose from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media, and after that here my title, that will be women's collection, and here you have to enter the women's dress category link. Again I am telling it's a dummy website, so here I am not going to enter any link. So after that click in this plus option, and here I have to search for a image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here. Now here I have to add an image from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's not looking good. Click in the third one, I mean edit column option, and unlock the padding. The padding top I am taking 20. After that padding right I am taking 15, and padding left also I am taking 15. I think now it's looking quite good. Similarly click in the edit column option for the fourth one. Here also top I am taking 20. Okay, I forgot to unlock it. So right I have to take 15, bottom 0, and left I am taking 15. Okay, now it's perfect. Now come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview also click in the third one. So here actually I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 15, padding right I am taking 10, padding bottom I am taking 15, and left I am taking 10. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So now again let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to click in the update option. So now I have to design this one. Before that I need this two heading. So let's come back here, click in the plus option. First of all I am taking single row and single column. After that I have to click in this, click in the advanced option. I need some padding top and bottom. Padding top I am taking 100, and padding bottom also I am taking 100. Come back to the layout option. So here actually I have to make it full width, and test session, yes, enable that. Now click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Just drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be recent product. Come back here, and here I have to mention recent product. After that make it center aligned. The HTML tag, make it span. Come back to the style option. From here I am choosing this pink color. Click in the typography. and here I am taking 16 pixel. Next clicking this, again I need another heading, drag and drop the heading downside of that heading, and after that will be my heading, new product. Come back here and here I have to mention that. After that make it center aligned, come back to the style option, I have to make it black color, click in the typography and make it 42 pixel. After that clicking this again, and here I have to search for the product list. So here you can see the Litho product list, just drag and drop it downside, column make it 5 because I want 5 products should be displayed in a single line or in a single row. Product per page, let me make it 10. If you want to enable the pagination, always you can do that, it's up to you. If you enable that, then in the downside here you can see the pagination will come. If you don't want, just disable that. Next come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 40 pixel. Now you can think this image is not coming properly, something cropped images are coming. We can easily set up that later. Click in the update option. Now switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that, it's perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, mobile preview also it's coming perfectly. Switch back to the desktop preview now. So now I have to design these 2 promo boxes. So for that I can come back here, click in the plus option, and from here let me take single row and single column. After that make it full width, column gap make it no gap. After that trace session, yes, enable that. After that come back to the style option. So in the style option click in this, and from here I am choosing this light gray color background. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 100 and padding bottom also I am taking 100. Next I need a inner session, click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session, that is the inner session, just drag and drop it here like that. Now click in this edit option for the column, come back to the style option, from there you have to click in the classic option, click in the image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, image position, I have to make it center. Now I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be new fashion. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it black color, click in the typography, and in the typography the size I am taking 14 pixel, the font weight I am taking 400. Actually I forgot to mention one thing, click in this edit column option, come back to the advanced option, click in the REM or REM, and here I have to mention 6 from all sides. After that click in this, and here I need another heading, so just drag and drop the heading downside of that heading, and my heading will be summer collection. So here I have to mention summer collection. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it black color. After that click in the typography, and the size I am taking 40 pixel. Come back to the content again, and here actually I have to mention a break row tag. After the summer, here I have to write BR tag, and after that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 10 pixel, and padding bottom also I am taking 10 pixel. Next what I have to do, I need a button. As you can see here I need the button. So let's come back here, click in this, and here I have to search for the button, drag and drop the button here like that, and the button text that will be shop collection. Now come back to the style option, click in the typography, the letter spacing make it 0.5. After the color I want black color. Next background color I need white color. The border type I have to make it solid, box shadow enable that. After the border color I have to make it white color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 15 pixel. So it's done here. Now just right click here and click in the duplicate, and here also you have to right click and click in the delete. So I need some gap in between this column, so click in this edit column option. Here you can see the margin, right margin I am taking 15 pixel, and for this one click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin, and left margin I am taking 15 pixel. Next for the second one, come back to the style option, and here I have to change the background. First of all I have to delete the image, click in the plus option for adding the background image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. The position I am making it center right, and the size I have to make it cover. Even for this one also I think I forgot to make the background size as cover, so let me make it. So now come back to the second one, let me delete this one, and here actually I need the video button. Search for the Litho video button and drag and drop it here top of this heading like that. Now from here come back to the content, let me come back to my own YouTube channel. Suppose I am adding this video link, so click in the copy link, come back here, and here I am giving the video link. Click in the settings, and here the alignment I have to make it left alignment. Now come back to the style option, size I am taking 18, and the icon box size I am taking 15, and the color I am taking this color, red color, and the background type click in this, and from here I have to choose the white color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect, and here the text will be fashion lookbook. So let's come back here, click in this, and here I have to mention fashion logbook, and here actually I have to mention the BR tag, means break row tag. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview what I have to do, you have to click in this, come back to the advanced option. So here first of all I have to unlock it. The top I am taking 70, right I am taking 40, bottom I am taking 70 and left I am taking 40. And after that I have to click in this and come back to the layout option, and here I have to make it 100. Similarly you have to click in this one also, and here also come back to the layout option, and here I have to make it 100. And after that I have to click in this option, come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the margin, and margin bottom I am taking 10 pixel. Similarly I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the margin, and margin top here I am taking 10 pixel. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So we can do one thing, just you have to click in this, and first of all I have to unlock the padding. The padding top I am taking 4, padding right I am taking 2, padding bottom I am taking 4, and padding left I am taking 2. Similarly here also click in this, I have to unlock the padding. The top I am taking 4 rem, right I am taking 2, bottom I am taking 4, and left I am taking 2. So as you can see, now it's looking quite perfect. If you want you can decrease the left and right padding for the section also. Like the top I am taking 50, right I am taking 20, bottom I am taking 50, and left I am taking 20. Like that also you can take if you want. Now I can switch back to the desktop preview, click in the update option. So after that I need this timer or countdown, whatever. So now let's come back here, and here I have to search for the inner session. Drag and drop the inner session downside like that. After that I have to click in this edit option for the inner session, come back to the advanced option, because I have to give some top padding or top margin, whatever. So the top padding I am giving 40 pixel. Next what I have to do, right click here and you have to click in this duplicate option, because as you can see here in a single row there are total 3 columns. So let's come back here. I think I have to give some more top padding. Let me give 80 pixel. So now I have to click in this, and the width I am taking 25%. Even for this one also click in this and make it 25. Now let's come back here. So I need this title, copy the title from here, come back here, click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here like that, and my content will be this one. Now come back to the style option, and I have to make it black color. Let me make it H4. After that come back to the style option again. The size I am taking around 40 pixels, and the font weight I am making it 500. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for countdown timer. So here you can see the Litho countdown timer. Just drag and drop it here like that, and from here I have to select the date. Suppose I want to set the date 29th of the July. So I am selecting that, so it will automatically calculate the time. Remaining option I am keeping as it is. Just directly come back to the style option. So click in the digit, click in the typography, and the weight I am making it 500. Even if you want you can make 400 also, it's up to you. Similarly click in the label, and here also click in this, and the weight I have to make it 400, and the size I am making 16 pixel. As you can see here, there is no separator in between days and hours, but in the demo website here you can see in between the days and hours there is a separator. Even in between the hours and minutes there is a separator, I mean this colon. So for that what I have to do, you have to come back to the content again, and here you can see the hide separator, just disable that. So now you can see there is a separator, and after that I have to click in this plus option, because here I need a button. So let me search for the button. So drag and drop the button here like that, and the button text will be shop collection. Make it medium size, even the large size also okay, it's up to you. And after that alignment I have to make it right aligned. Next I have to click in this inner session, and from there here you can see the vertical aligned, I have to make it middle. Now again come back to the button, come back to the style option. Here the background color I need that should be black color, and now let me come back to the hover option. So here the text color I need it should be black color, and the background color I mean this one, click in this, and it should be white color, and the border color that should be black color. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview or tablet mode. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. So I have to do some modification. I have to click in this, and here I have to make it 100%, and next you have to click in this. Here you can see the alignment, I have to make it center aligned. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin bottom I am taking 30 pixel. Similarly I have to click in this option also, and here also in the layout I have to make it 100%, and after that come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin bottom I am taking 30%. After that I have to click in this, I mean this button option, come back to the content. So here the alignment I have to make it center aligned, and I have to click in this edit option, and here I have to make it 100%. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview also. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that. I think it's perfect, no need to change anything. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again. So now I have to design this blog session, but For designing the blog session, first of all I have to create the blog. Now for designing this blog, first of all I have to open the dashboard in a new tab, and after that here you can see the post. Let me click on that. By default there will be a blog. If you want you can delete that. Just hover on that and click in the trash option. So this block will be get deleted. And now for adding a new blog, what you have to do, you have to click in this add new option. After that I have to give the blog title. Next here I have to mention the blog content. Always you can use the Elementor page builder for creating the blog, but here I am using the classic builder only. So once you write the content, you have to click in the post option. Just scroll down a little bit. If you want to add some blog category, always you can do that. So for that you have to click in this add new category. Suppose I am giving the category name as travel, and after that you have to click in this add new category option. So in this way you can add the blog category if you want. And after that, most important thing, here you can see the feature image. Click in the set feature image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, and after that you have to click in the publish option. Once published, for adding another blog, again I have to click in this W option. Again I have to click in the add new option. After that again I have to write the blog title. Next here I have to write the blog content. Next I have to click in the post option. Scroll down, you have to choose the category, and after that you have to set the feature image. Let me search for the blog in the media library. Suppose I am taking this one, click in the set feature image, and after that I have to click in the publish option. In this way, let me create all the blogs. So as you can see here, I already create total 6 blog posts. Now let me come back to the home page again. Let me click in the update because I have to refresh the page for loading that blogs. So click in the refresh option. Now just scroll down, click in the plus option. Now I need this title also. So I'm taking single row and single column. After that I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top and bottom I am taking 100 and 100, and after that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here like that, and after that I need this heading, so just copy it from here and here I have to mention that. And after that what I have to do, just right click here, click in the copy, come back here, right click and click in the paste style. It's done. Next I need another heading, so again I have to search for the heading and drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading will be this one, love fashion stories. So come back here and here I have to mention that. In similar manner just copy this one and come back here, right click and click in the paste style. It's done. Let me give some top margin around 15 pixel. So after that I need that blog session. So for that again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the blog list. So here you can see the Litho blog list, just drag and drop it downside. After that I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am giving around 30 pixel. Next come back to the blog session, come back to the content style, I am making it classic. Column gap I am making it 10. Number of the post to show I am making it 6. Post author not required. Post date that also not required. Post graph not required. Okay, I am keeping it as it is. So now let me check the tablet and the mobile preview. So in the tablet it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that, but I don't want it should be look like that. Just click in this edit option, and after that portrait font I have to make it 1, landscape font I have to make it 2. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Even for the tablet preview also, if you want you can always change that. Again I have to click in this number of the column. So here you can see the tablet, we can make it 2. If you make it 2, it will look like that. I think it's really looking cool. So after that again click in the update option, and let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this newsletter session, but for creating this newsletter session, first of all I have to enable the Mailchimp account. So for that I have to open the dashboard in a new tab, and from there here you can see the Mailchimp. Click on that. After that open a new tab, and here you have to search for the Mailchimp. Click on that. From there you have to click in the login option because I already have ID and password. After entering user ID and password you have to click in this login option. From there you have to click in this. After that you have to click in the account option. So in the top here you can see the extra. Click in the API key. So that is the API key what I needed. Copy it from here. Come back here, and here I have to paste the API key. So now you can see the status not connected. Now let me click in the save changes. Now after refreshing the page you can see it's showing as connected. So once done you have to click in the form option. Here I have to click in this add form option. Now you have to open the folder which link I already give you in the video description. So from there you have to open this text file name as Mailchimp. After that just select everything, copy everything, close this, select everything from here, delete everything, and you have to paste that code here. Now you have to click in the save changes. Next I have to come back here. I have to refresh the page once. So next just scroll down. After that I have to click in this plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that I need a inner session. So click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session. Drag and drop the inner session inside the column. Click in the first one and the column white, make it 43%. Another thing I have to do, I have to click in this edit inner section option, come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the margin and padding. The margin top I am taking around 96 and the margin bottom I am taking -8. So I have to write 80 and after that I have to apply the minus sign. And the padding top I am taking 50, padding right I am taking 20, padding bottom I am taking 50 and padding left again I am taking 20 pixels. Next I have to come back to the style option, so I have to click on the gradient option. The first color I am taking this one, the second color I am taking this color, remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in this plus option. Here I need a heading, to search for the heading here. After that just drag and drop the heading here and my heading content will be this one, join our newsletter. Come back here and here I have to mention join our newsletter. Come back to the style option. First of all I have to make it white color and after that click in the typography and let me take 40 pixel. Next I need another heading also. Again I have to click in this and here I have to search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside and my heading content will be this one. So come back here and here I have to mention that. After that click in the style option. Here also I have to make it white color. Now click in the typography and the size I am taking around 35 pixel and the font weight I am taking 400. Next I have to click in the advanced option. Unlock the margin top I am taking around 10 pixel. After that here I need the newsletter form, so click in this and here I have to search for the newsletter, this Litho newsletter. Just drag and drop it here like that. Next I have to click in this inner section edit option and come back to the layout. Here you can see the vertical aligned, I have to make it middle. After that I have to click in this edit option for the newsletter. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding, click in the rem. Right I am taking 8 and left I am taking 8, so it will look like that. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview as you can see it's coming like that, but I don't want it should be look like that. So first of all unlock the padding here and here click in this first title, click in the typography. I have to decrease the size, and for the second title also come back to the style, click in the typography and here also I have to decrease the size. Next I have to click in the advanced option and from here what I have to do, unlock that and margin top I am taking 10. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that. So first of all let me click in this, come back to the typography and make it around 20 pixels. Similarly click in the second one, come back to the typography and here let me make it 16 pixel. After that click in the advanced option, unlock it, the margin top I am taking 10 and bottom also let me take 10. Now let me click in this edit option, come back to the advanced option. Here the button let me make it 0 and the top let me take 10 pixel. Here also let me unlock this one, the top I am taking 20. After that right I am taking 5, bottom I am taking 20 and left I am taking 5. Okay, so I think it's looking great. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again, click in the update. So the designing of the home page is complete. Now I have to design the about us page. Now for designing the about us page, first of all I have to click in this, click in the exit to dashboard. Let me check how my about us page is looking like in the demo. So in the about us page, in the top here you can see a custom page title session. For creating custom page title session, let me click in this double option again. So in the dashboard here you can see the section builder. Click on that. After that I have to click in the page title. Next I have to click in the add new option. From here I have to choose the page title and the template name I am giving about header. Click in the create template option. I have to click in this plus option, take single row and single column. Next I have to click in this plus option, drag and drop the Litho page title here like that. Again I have to click in the session. Here you can see the content width, make it full width, make it test session, and column gap, make it no gap. After that again I have to come back to the Litho page title. Here you can see so many styles available. From here I have to choose big typography. Click in the title and make sure it should be enabled. Even for the subtitle also it should be enabled. Come back to the background. Here also you have to enable this one. And here you can see the parallax effect. I am choosing parallax effect 5. Now the breadcrumb, I doesn't need the breadcrumbs, so just disable that. Scroll to down. Here if you want to change the icon always you can do that, but here I am keeping as it is. The view, let me make it stack, and the shape let me make circle. Now come back to the style option, click in the background overlay, enable overlay. The color that should be black color. After that opacity let me make it 0.5. After that directly come back to the subtitle, click in the typography, click in the rem here, and I'm taking 3.4 rem. After the line height let me take 60 pixel. Remaining here I'm keeping as it is. Just click in the publish option. Now again click in this, click in the exit to dashboard. Now again hover on the pages and click in the add new. The page title I'm giving as about us. The layout setting I'm keeping as it is. Come back to the header and footer, mini header, make it on. Header setting let me make it on. Header section I'm keeping default. Now directly come back to the page title setting. So in the page title setting, in the title section I have to choose this about header. Scroll down. Here you can see the subtitle. So in the subtitle I am writing this one. After that I have to browse a background image also. Click in this browse option. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once published I have to click in this option, edit with Elementor. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Even the parallels effect also working perfectly. So now after that I have to design this session. So let me come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 3 column. After that I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 70 pixel. Next I have to click in this edit column option, directly come back to the style option, and in the style option click in this classic. After that I have to click in the plus option for adding a background image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the insert media. The position I have to make it center, and the size I have to make it cover. Now I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Left margin I am taking 15 pixel. Now I have to click in this, come back to the style option. The background color I need the blue color, I mean this color. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin and padding. Here margin right I am taking 15 pixel. Next the padding, first of all I have to click in this rem option. Top I am taking 0, right I am taking 5.5, bottom also 0, and left I am taking 5.5 depth. Next I need a heading, click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the heading, drag and drop the heading here like that, and my heading content will be this one. So let's come back, and here I have to mention that. Come back to the style option, I have to make it white color, and the font size I am taking 22, and font weight I am making it 400. Come back to the advanced option, margin top I am taking 25. Next click in this, and I need a text editor, drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. Let's come back here, and here I have to mention the content. Come back to the style option, I have to make it white color. Click in the typography, the font weight I am making it 400. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding top I am taking 15, even padding bottom also I am taking 15. After that I need a button also, as you can see here I need this button. So let's come back here, and here I have to search for the button, drag and drop the button here downside. The button text that will be this one, company overview. Size I have to make it large. After that I have to come back to the style option. Next here you can see the background type, click in this, and from here I have to choose the transparent color. After here you can see the border type, I have to make it solid, unlock the border width. The bottom I am taking 2, and padding unlock it, and the bottom side I am making it 2, and the color I have to make it white color. After that come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin and padding. Button I am taking 20 as a margin. Now here actually I have to click in the plus option, and here I need a text editor. Just drag and drop the text editor here and select everything and remove the content. Now click in this heading, come back to the style option, click in the typography. Let me increase the line height little bit. I think that's looking quite perfect. Similarly here also I have to increase the line height. Come back to the style option, click in the typography. I have to increase the line height. I think that's perfect. Now I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the content block. So here I can see the Litho content block. Drag and drop it here and make it style 2. Click in the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media, click on the title. The title will be about digital agency. Subtitle I doesn't require, so remove it. Come back to the content, and here I need this content. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me switch back to the responsive mode and click in the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, click in this, come back to the layout. Here I have to make it 100%. After that click in this, and come back to the layout. Here I have to make it 50%. Even for this one also click in this, and here in the layout I have to make it 50%. Now click in this one, and from here come back to the typography. In the style option I have to decrease the line height little bit. I think that's perfect. Even for this one also I have to decrease the line height little bit. I think that's perfect. Next come back to the first one, and after that click in the text editor and come back to the advanced option. Here unlock the padding. Padding I want in percentage, so click in the percentage, and the padding top I am taking 60, and padding bottom I am taking 50%. Next unlock the margin also. Margin bottom I am taking 20 pixel. Next I have to click in this, and here come back to the advanced option. The margin bottom I am taking 20 pixel. I think now it's looking quite perfect. Now come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. Now click in this, come back to the advanced option, click in the rem, and right I am taking 3, and left also I am taking 3. Remaining the top make it 0. When here also in the bottom I have to make it 0. After that I have to unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking around 20 pixel, and margin bottom also I am taking around 20 pixel. I think margin top is not required, so remove the margin. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. At last I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the layout. Here you can see the vertical aligned. I have to make it middle. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Let me click in the update option. So after that I have to design this session. So for that again I have to come back here, scroll down, click in the plus option. I am taking this one, single row and 2 column. And another thing I forgot actually, I have to click in this edit session option. Here actually remove the margin from here, even from the downside also, and click in this, take the padding top 50 and bottom also 50. Come back to the layout. I have to make it registration, and the background color I need little bit light gray color. I think that's perfect. Next I have to click in this edit session option. Come back to the advanced option. Padding top I am taking 50. Even bottom also I am taking 50 pixel. Now I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. So here you can see the Litho heading. Just drag and drop it here. So my primary heading, that will be 25 years, and my secondary heading, that will be this one. Next I have to click in the settings option, and I have to make it age 5. After that I have to come back to the style option, click in the primary title. In the primary title, here you can see the color, so I need this blue color. After that I have to click in the secondary title. Here also let me click in this, and here I need the dark black color. Now click in this, and here I have to search for the video, because I need the Litho video button. I mean this one. Just drag and drop it here like that. First of all I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the play. I need this icon. Click in the insert, and here in the style I have to make style 2. Come back to the content. The title will be this one, and in the video URL let me give one of my own video link. Right click and click in the copy link. Come back here, and here I have to mention the link. Come back to the secondary title. So the secondary title, that will be what. Now come back to the style option. Here the background type, make it gradient. The first color I am taking this one, and the secondary color I am taking this one. Let me make it 50. Let me make the angle 80. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. We can easily fix that. Just click in this, and let me make it 60. And after that come back to the style option, click in the primary. In the primary title, click in the typography. I have to decrease the size. I think 30 will be the perfect. Now come back to the secondary title. Here also have to click in the typography, make it 30. I think let me make it 20. And for the primary title also let me make it 20. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Now let me check the mobile preview. In the mobile preview I think everything is looking quite perfect. Just click in this and come back to the content. In the settings, make it center aligned, and click in this edit bottom option, and come back to the advanced option. Unlock the margin. I have to give some margin left. I think 25 will be the perfect, and top margin I am giving 10. Okay, it's looking quite pretty. Now switch back to the desktop preview. Click in the update option. So after that I have to design this logos. So for that again come back here. Again I have to click in this plus option. Here I am taking single row and 4 column. After that I have to click in this one, and here I have to search for the client. So here you can see Litho client image box. Just drag and drop it here like that. Click on the image for adding the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Now just right click here, click in the copy, and after that here I have to paste it. Even here also I have to paste. When here also I have to paste it. Now click in the second one, and here I have to change the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. In similar manner I have to change the image for the third one also. From the media library, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media, and for the fourth one, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Now just right click here and make it duplicate. Now I have to click in the fifth one, and for the fifth one I have to change the image also. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. For the sixth one also I have to change the image. So suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. For the seventh one, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. And for the last one, I mean for the eighth one, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that, but I don't want it should look like that. Just click in this, and here I have to make it 50. Even here also I have to make it 50. Even for the remaining also I have to do the same, because in a single row I want to display 2 images. So for the remaining also I have to do the same. Here also I have to make it 50, and for this last two also I have to make the column with 50%. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. Click in the update option. So after that I have to design this session. So for that what I have to do, let's come back here. I have to click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that I have to click in this and make it full width. After that trace session, enable that, and column gap make it no gap. After that come back to the style option. In the style option click in the classic option, and from here I need a light gray color background. I think that's perfect. Next I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 100, and padding bottom also I am taking 100. Next what I have to do, here I need a inner session. So for that I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session. Drag and drop the inner session here, and here I need total 3 columns. So right click and click in the duplicate. So now you can see in a single row there are total 3 columns. First of all I have to click in this and I have to make it 25%, and after that again I have to click in this one, and here also I have to make it 25%. So now click in this plus option here, and here I have to search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here, and after that my heading content will be this one. Come back to the style option. Before that make it center aligned, and come back to the style option. Now click in the typography. So I'm taking 20 pixel, and After that, font weight I am making it 400. Next, the color I want it should be deep gray color. I think that's perfect. Next, again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the heading again. So drag and drop the heading downside. Next, my heading content will be this one. This also I have to make it center aligned. After that, make it H4. Next, come back to the style option. First of all, I have to make it deep black color. After that, I have to click in the typography. In the typography, I have to increase the line height. I think that is quite perfect. Now come back to the advanced option. Here what I have to do, I have to unlock the padding, and padding top I am taking 15 pixels. So after that, I have to design this 4 session. So for that, again I have to come back here, click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session, drag and drop it downside, but it's not happening. So you can do one thing, just right click here and click in the duplicate option. Next, what I have to do, I have to delete all the things, and next I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking around 50 pixel. I have to delete this one also, click in the delete. I don't want total 3 column, I want only 2 columns, so let me delete one. So now it's perfect. In a single row there are total 2 columns. So now click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the Litho icon box. So here you can see the Litho icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. After that, I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the navigation left window. Suppose I am taking this one. Click in the insert. Next, my heading will be this one, and my content will be this one. After that, icon position I have to make it left aligned. Next, title HTML tag I have to make it span. Now I have to come back to the style option. Here I am keeping everything as it is. Directly come back to the icon option. The icon color, I need the blue icon color. So from here I have to choose the blue color, and on the hover, the icon color, that should be white color. So I am choosing white color. Okay, now it's looking perfect. After that, spacing, make it 35, size, make it 40. Now come back to the content. In the content color, I have to make it black color. On hover, the color should be white color. Now come back to the normal. Here you can see the spacing, make it 10. Now come back to the advanced option. First of all, here I have to click the rem, and from all side I am taking 4 rem. Now come back to the background option, click in this, and here I am choosing white color, and on hover I am choosing blue color. So for that, here I have to choose the blue color. Okay, it's done here. The content color also I have to change. So again come back to the style option, click in the content. So as you can see on the hover, the content color not changing. So here you can see the description color. So first of all, I have to make it black color, and on hover I have to make it white color. Now let me check. Okay, now everything is perfect. Next, what I have to do, just right click here, click in the copy, and after that here I have to paste it, and come back here, right click and click in the duplicate. Now I have to click in the second one, and here I have to change the icon. First of all, my icon should be cursor. I need this one. Click in the insert, and here my title will be this one. So here I have to mention the title, and after that my description will be this one. So here I have to mention the description. After that, here actually you can see in between 2 inner session there are a lot of gaps. So click in the second one, come back to the advanced option, the top margin I am taking 20. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now click in the third one. So here actually I have to search for the thumbs up or like. I want this icon. Click in the insert. My title will be this one, and my content I am keeping the same. Now come back to the fourth one. So here I have to search for the mobile. I am taking this one. Click in the insert. So here my title will be this one, and content I am keeping the same. So now let me check the responsive preview, I mean tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. So first of all, let me click in this title. Here actually I have to decrease the size. Suppose I am taking 30 pixel. 30 is also bigger. Let me take it 25. Okay, now it's perfect. Now what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here actually I have to make it 100%. Next, here also I have to make it 100%. After that, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 15 pixel, margin bottom and other margin I am taking 0. Next, here also I have to click in this and make it 100%, and click in this, and here also I have to make it 100%, and after that come back to the advanced option, and here unlock the margin, and margin top I am taking 15 pixel, remaining I am keeping 0. Next, just click in this one, and after that come back to the advanced option. Here you can see the rem, click on that. After that you have to unlock it. The right rem I am taking 2, and left rem also I am taking 2. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So in the mobile preview there is no need of any gap, directly unlock it. So it's coming like that. Let me click in the first one, come back to the style option, click in the icon. So here you can see the spacing. Let me decrease the spacing a little bit. I think that's perfect, else make it 10 also. And now here you can see the color also gets changed. Even in the tablet preview also I think I have to change the color. So let me click in this and come back to the content. First of all, here I have to change the content color, and on the hover also I have to change the title color. Similarly, let me come back to the mobile devices. Now in the mobile preview also, come back to the content. Here I have to make it black color, and on the hover I have to make it white color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now what I have to do, just right click in the copy, and after that right click in the paste style. Even here also right click and click in the paste style, and even for this one also right click and click in the paste style. So next what I have to do, I have to come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this session. So for that again scroll down, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 2 column. After that I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, margin top and bottom I am taking 100, and after that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the image carousel. So after that here you can see the Litho image carousel, just drag and drop it here like that. After that here I have to add the images. So click in the plus option, and from the media library I am taking this image and this image. After that I have to click in this create a new gallery option, insert gallery, and here in the navigation make it arrow only. Remaining I am keeping as it is. It's looking quite perfect. So now I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin left I am taking around 30 pixel. Next what I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here. As you can see here, that will be my heading. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention the heading and make it H4. After that come back to the style, make it black color, and in the typography the font weight I have to make it 500. After that I need a text editor also. Click in this, and here I have to search for the text editor. Just drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content that will be this one. So just copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to mention the text editor content. After that come back to the advanced option. Here unlock the margin top I am taking around 15 pixel, margin bottom also I am taking around 15 pixel. So after that I need a Litho list. So here I have to search for the list. After that here you can see the Litho list, just drag and drop it downside. So in the list, first of all click in this and click in the first one. Here I have to change the icon. Let me search for the arrow. Suppose I am taking this arrow, click in the insert option. After that my content will be this one. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that delete second and third one, and after that just duplicate the first one, duplicate it another more time because I need total 3 list item, and for the second one my content will be this one. So copy it from here, come back here and click in the second one, and here I have to mention that. Similarly the third content will be this one. So let's come back here, click in the third one, and here I have to mention that. So it's done here. Now I need a button also. Click in this, and here I have to search for the button. So here you can see the Litho button, just drag and drop it downside. After that I have to click in the advanced option because I need some top padding or margin, whatever. So top margin I am giving around 40. Next come back to the content. So the text will be get started now. After that button size make it medium. After that come back to the style option. So here you can see the background type, click in the classic, and after that color I want blue color. So from here I am taking this blue color. After that the border type I have to make it solid, and here you can see the color option. Here also I need the blue color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Another thing you can observe, when I hover on it, it's getting black color. So for that what I have to do, click on the hover. In the color type I have to make it white color. So now the problem get fixed. If you want box shadow, always you can apply that. It's up to you. Even for the normal also I have to click in this. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So now let me come back to the tablet preview. Let me check how it's coming. It's coming like that, but I don't want it to look like that. So for that what we can do, you have to click in this edit column option, and here you can see the column width. I have to make it 100%. Click in this, and here you can see the slide to show. In the tablet I have to make it 1. Okay, now it's coming like that. Let me check the mobile devices also. Okay, mobile device also it's coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview again. So in the tablet preview I have to click in this and come back to the layout. Here also I have to make it 100. Now come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 20 pixel. Okay, remaining I am keeping as it is, everything looking good. Come back to the mobile devices. So the mobile devices also, as you can see, everything is coming perfect. Just click in the button and make it center aligned. Okay, next what I have to do, now let me come back to the desktop preview or desktop mode. So after that I have to design this session. So for that again I have to come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 3 column. After that I have to click in this, come back to the advanced option. Next I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 70. Padding bottom also I am taking 70. After that come back to the style option. Here I need a light gray color background, so I am choosing this color. I think that's quite perfect. Next make it trace session. After that I have to click in this edit column option, click in the style option, click in the classic, and here I need the pure white color background. After that I have to click in this. After that I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin and padding. Margin right I am taking 15 and margin left also I am taking 15. Next, in the padding, I have to click in the rim, and all side I have to make 4. After that, I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the icon box. So here you can see the Litho icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the settings. I am taking this one, clicking the insert. My title will be this one, and my content will be this one. After that, title HTML tag, I have to make it span. Position, I have to make it left. Next, come back to the style option, click in the icon. First of all, I have to change the icon color. I need this blue color. So from here I am choosing blue. After that, spacing, I am taking 20. Size, I am taking 40. Now come back to the content. So the content color, I want deep black color. On the hover also, I need the same black color. Spacing, I am making 1. Now after that, I have to click in the description typography, and here the size I am taking 14. Weight I am making it 400. So after that, I need a text editor. Click in this, and here I have to search for the text editor. Drag and drop the text editor downside, and my text editor content will be this one. Copy this one, come back here, and here I have to mention the content. After that, come back to the style option and make it center aligned. Now what I have to do? Just right click and click in the duplicate. Another time right click and click in the duplicate. Now here right click and click in the delete option. And after that, here also right click, and after that I have to click in the delete option. So now it's looking quite perfect. Now come back to the second one. In the second one, first of all, I have to change the icon. Let me search for the transform. I need this one. Click in the insert option, and after that my title will be this one. So here I have to mention the title, and after that will be my content. So come back here, and here I have to mention the content. The content of the text box I am keeping as it is. I am not going to change that. Now come back to the third one. Click in this, and here I have to search for the heart. I need this icon. Click in the insert option, and after that will be my title. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention the title, and after that will be my description. So let's come back here, and here I have to paste the description. The content of the text box here also I am keeping as it is. Now let me come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, first of all, I have to click in this, and here I have to make it 100. Similarly, here also click in this, and here also come back to the layout option, and here I have to make it 100. Even for the last one also, I mean for this one also, click in this, and here I have to make it 100. Now click in the middle one, and here come back to the advanced option. First of all, I have to unlock the margin, and from all side I am taking 15. Bottom also 15, left also 15. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. So after that, click in the first one icon box, and here come back to the style option, come back to the content. So in the content, what I have to do? The title color I have to make it black color. Even for the hover also I have to make it black color. After that, I have to come to the mobile preview. So the mobile preview also I have to change the color. So for that, again I have to click in this, come back to the style option, come back to the content. So the color I want deep black color. Even for the hover also I want it should be deep black color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now just come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, right click here, click in the copy, and after that right click in the paste style. Even for this one also right click and click in the paste style. Next, click in this and come back to the style option, make it left aligned. Even for this text block also, come back to the style option, make it left aligned. Even for this one also I have to do the same thing. Now switch back to the mobile preview. In the mobile preview, I have to make it center aligned. This one also I have to make it center aligned. Even this one also I have to make it center aligned. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this portion. So for that, again I have to come back here. I have to click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 2 column. After that, make the session as test session. Column gap, make it no gap. Come back to the style option. Click in this, and from here I am choosing this color as background color. Now click in this, and here I need an image. Search for the image. So after that, drag and drop the image here. Click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Again let me click in this edit session option because I forgot to mention the padding. So unlock the margin and padding. The padding top I am taking 100 and padding bottom I am taking 200. So next I have to click in this edit column option for the second one. So here come back to the style option, click in the gradient option. The first gradient color I am taking this one, and the second gradient color I am taking this one. The angle I am making it 35. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the video. Drag and drop the Litho video button here. And another thing I forgot, I have to click in this edit session option again. In the layout, the vertical line I have to make it middle. Now let me click in this edit video option. First of all, I have to change the icon. Click in this, and here I have to search for the play. I want this icon. Click in the insert. Come back to the content. Here I am giving one of my own video link. Click in the copy link, and here I have to mention the link. Come back to the settings option. Make sure it should be center aligned. Next I have to come back to the style option. So here you can see the icon size. The icon size I am taking 26, and icon box size I am making it 75. After that, click in the normal. clicking the gradient icon color. The first color I am taking this one and the second color I am taking this one. Location I am making it 73. After that I have to unlock the margin. Margin bottom I am taking 50, and here also you can see the background type. Clicking this, the color I want it should be white color. Icon margin, unlock it. Left I am taking 8. After that I need a heading. Click in this, search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside, and my heading content will be this one. Make it center aligned. HTML tag, make it span. After that come back to the style option. I have to make it white color. After that I have to click in the typography. So in the typography, font weight I am making it 400. Now I need another header. Again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the header, drag and drop the header downside of that header, and in this time my header content will be this one. So let's come back here. Here I have to mention the content, make it center aligned, and HTML tag, make it H4. Now again click in this edit column option, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin and padding. Right margin I am taking 15, and after that in the padding I have to click in this rem option, and after that right I am taking 6 rem, and left also I am taking 6 rem. Now come back to the heading again. So in this heading, let me make it H5 first of all, and after that come back to the style option, make it pure white color. After that click in the typography. In the typography, let me make it 400. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Let me increase the line height little bit. I think that's quite perfect. So after that I need a button also. So for that again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the button. So drag and drop the Litho button downside of the heading. After that come back to the advanced option. I need some top margin around 15 pixel. After that again come back to the content. So the text will be get started now. Size I am taking large size. Alignment, that will be center aligned. Come back to the style option. The color I want it should be white color. Next, background type I have to make it totally transparent color. I mean decrease the opacity to 0. After that here you can see the border type. I have to make it solid. The width I have to unlock it. Only the button width I am making it 2. Color I am taking white color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Let me click in the button typography, and here let me make it 18. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, click in this, and here I have to make it 100. Even click in this one also, come back to the layout option, and here also I have to make it 100. So in the tablet preview, actually here I have to mention some top padding. So the padding top, so first of all let me make it pixel, unlock the padding, and padding top I am taking around 70, and padding bottom also let me take 70. Now it's looking quite good. So after that, here actually I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option. So here I have to do something, unlock it. Top I am taking 100, right I am taking 20, bottom I am taking 200, and left I am taking 20. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So after that let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. Click in the second one. Here you can see the right margin. The right margin I have to remove and make it 0. Now everything looking quite perfect. Click in this button. In the button typography, I have to make it 16. Next, let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this counters. So for that again I have to come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 3 column. So next I have to click in this edit session option, come back to the style option, click in the classic. From here I am making it pure white color, and after that come back to the border, enable the box shadow, and after that come back to the advanced option, enable the rem, and from all side padding I am taking 4. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the inner section. Drag and drop the inner section here like that. After that click in this edit option for the inner section. Vertical aligned I have to make it middle. After that I have to click in this edit column option, and here I have to make it 40%. After that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the counter. So here you can see the Litho vertical counter. Just drag and drop it here like that. The number I am taking 1150. After that the title is does not required. Next come back to the style option directly. So in the number, first of all the color I need the blue color. So from here I have to choose the blue color. And after that here you can see the typography. So the font weight I am making it 500. After that click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the icon boxes. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. I does not require any icon, so let me remove that. And after that my title will be this one, and after that my content will be for creative design. After that here you can see the title HTML tag. I have to make it span. Come back to the style option. The alignment I have to make it left aligned. After the title color I have to make it black color. Next just click in this edit column option. Come back to the style option. Here you can see the border. Click on that, and from here I have to make it solid. After that I have to unlock the width, and right width I am making it 1. After that right click here and click in the duplicate option. Similarly right click here again and click in the duplicate option. After that what I have to do, I have to right click and click in the delete. Even here also right click and click in the delete. But I does not want this line here. So for the third one, click in the edit column option again, come back here, click in the border option, and here I have to make it 0. So now click in the counter for the second one. The number, suppose I am taking 1900. After that, in the icon box, title will be this one and my content will be this one. Similarly, click in the third one, counter box. Here the number, suppose I am taking 1577. Title, that will be happy clients, and my description will be we love clients. Next, let me switch back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. We can easily fix that. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here I have to make it 100%. And even for this one also, click in this, and here I have to make it 100%. Next, what I have to do, click in this, and here I have to make it center. Even for this one also, click in this, and here also I have to make it center aligned. For the remaining two also, I have to do the same thing. Just you have to click in this, here I have to make it 100, and even for this one also, click in this, and here I have to make it 100. After that, for the both, I have to make it center aligned. Now this one also, click in the style and make it center aligned. Now again here also, click in this, and here I have to make it 100%. And even for this one also, click in this, and here I have to make it 100%. After that, for the both, I have to make it center aligned. Even for this counter also, I have to make it center aligned. It's looking quite perfect. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So now just click in this, and here come back to the border. So border, here I have to make it 0 from all side, and even for this one also, click in this, come back to the style. After that, come back to the border, and from all side I have to make it 0. Next, come back to the desktop preview again, because here I need some minus padding. So let me click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. The top margin I am taking 70, but it will be in minus. Now let me come back to the desktop preview. Let me check how it's coming. Okay, it's perfect. Even in the mobile devices also, okay, it's coming perfectly. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview again. So after that, I have to design this our theme session. So for that, first of all, I have to click in the plus option. I have to take single row and single column. Next, I have to click in this and come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking around 100 pixel. After that, click in this, and here I have to search for the heading. So just drag and drop the heading here, and my first heading will be the designer team. Let me come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that, let me make it span, make it center aligned, come back to the style. I have to make it dark gray color, and after that, click in the typography. The size I am taking 18, and the font weight I am making it 500. So after that, my next title will be creative people. So let me come back here, click in this, and here again I have to search for the title, drag and drop the title downside of that title, and my title content will be creative people. Make it center aligned, make it H4, and after that I have to come back to the style option, make it dark black color, and after that typography, make it 500, and come back to the advanced option. I need some margin top around 10 pixel. After that, I have to design this team member session. So for that, let me again come back here, click in the plus option. Let me take single row and 3 column, click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking around 30 pixel. Next, I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the team member. So here you can see the Litho team member. Just drag and drop it here like that. After the style, I am making it style 2. After that, first of all, I have to upload the image. Click on that. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. Next, here I have to enter the name, and here I have to enter the designation, and here I have to mention the description. Now come back to the social. So here you have to enter the Facebook link for the person. Here you have to enter the Insta link for the person, and here you have to enter the Twitter link for the person. If you want to add more social media link, you have to click in the add item. Suppose I want to add the WhatsApp link. So here I have to search for the WhatsApp, click on that, click in the insert option, and here you have to enter the WhatsApp link. Now I have to come back to the style option, directly come back to the social option. The spacing, let me make it 28. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Directly now come back to the overlay, click in the gradient. The first color I am taking this one, and after that the second color I am taking this one. Location I am making 90, and angle I am making 40. Okay, now it's everything coming perfectly. Now just I have to right click in the copy, right click in the paste here. Even here also right click, and you have to click in the paste. Now I have to click in the second one. Here I have to change the image, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert. After that, here I have to change the name. After that, I have to change the designation also, and I have to change the description also. Now click in the social option, and here you have to enter the social media link for the person. Now directly come back to the third option, click in this for changing the image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. From there I have to change the name. After that I have to change the designation. After that I have to change the description. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. I think it's perfect. Now let me check the mobile preview. Okay, in the mobile preview also everything is coming perfectly. So after that, let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that, I have to design this session. So you can come back here, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Click in this, come back to the advanced, unlock the margin top. I am taking 50. After that, here I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. So here I can see the Litho heading. Just drag and drop it here like that. So my primary heading will be this one, and my secondary heading will be this one, and make it a 6. Now come back to the style option, click in the primary title, click in the typography and make it 500. Another thing you can do, here you can see the decoration, I have to make it underlined. Now come back to the typography option for the secondary title. Here also I have to click in the typography, and here the font weight I have to take it 500. So everything looking quite perfect. Let me do one thing, click in the primary title, let me change the color. So for that, click in this, and from here I have to make it deep black color. Everything looking quite perfect. After that, here I need a button. So here I have to search for the button. Now drag and drop the button here. The button size, I have to make it large size, and I have to click in this. Come back to the layout option, vertical aligned, I have to make it middle. Next, click in this button, and the button text that will be join the team. The alignment, I have to make it right alignment. Now come back to the style option. First of all, the text color I have to make it blue color. Next, the background color I have to make it fully transparent. After that, border type I have to make it solid, and here also the width from all side I have to make it 1 pixel. Color, I need this blue color, so from here I am choosing the blue color. Okay, now everything is looking quite perfect. Let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that, and now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. So you can do one thing, just click in this in the mobile preview, come back to the content, click in the settings, and here make it center aligned. Even for this button also, click in this and come back to the content and alignment, I have to make it center aligned. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin, and in the mobile margin top I am giving 10 pixel. So the designing of the about us page is complete. Now I have to design the contact us page. So for that, let me come back to the desktop preview first of all, and after that let me click in the update option. Once it updated, I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. So after that again I have to click in this W option. Now let me check how the contact us page should be look like. So my contact us page should be look like that. So first of all, I have to design this page title session. So for that, again come back to the dashboard. Again I have to click in this session builder. After that I have to come back to the page title. Again I have to click in the add new option. From here I have to choose the page title, and the session name I am giving as contact page title. After that I have to click in the create template option. So first of all I have to click in this plus option. After that I have to click in this single row and single column. Next I have to make it full width. After that I have to make it trace session. Next I have to click in this, and here you can see the Litho page title. Just drag and drop it here like that. Another thing, I think I forgot to mention the column gap. The column gap, it should be no gap. Now again let me click in this Litho page title. So from here I am choosing center alignment. Title, it should be on. Even subtitle also you have to on it. After that background, click on that. From the media library, suppose I am taking this one, click in the insert media. After the breadcrumb, it's not required, so disable that. Come back to the settings, and the height I am making 250. Now come back to the style option. First of all I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 70, remaining I am keeping 0. Next directly come back to the title, and after that I have to click in the typography, and the size I am taking 42. Font weight I am making 600, remaining I am keeping as it is. After that come back to the subtitle. Here also I have to click in the typography. So the typography size I am taking 30, remaining I am keeping as it is. Here you can see the separator color. I need this blue color, so I am taking the blue color from here, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Now let me check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. In the tablet preview, click in the subtitle typography, and let me make it 20. Even for the title also, let me decrease the size, make it around 30. After that come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview I think it's looking quite perfect. I am keeping it as it is. After that again I have to click in the update option. Now I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. Next I have to click in the pages, and here I have to click in the add new option. Page title I am giving as contact us. Directly come back to the page title setting, and from here I am choosing contact page title, and from here I have to make it on. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once published, you have to click in the edit with Elementor option. So in the contact us page, actually in the top here you can see a big Google map. So for that open a new tab, and here you have to search for the Google map. Let me open the Google map. After that I have to select my exact location. Let me take a random location, suppose that is my location. You have to select the exact location. Okay, so once you select the exact location, after that you have to click in this option, share, and after that you have to click in this embed a map. From there you have to click in the copy HTML option. Now come back here. So after that I have to click in the plus option, take single row, single column. After that make it full width, column gap, make it no gap, test session, yes, enable that. After that I have to click in the plus option here, and here I have to search for the text editor. Just drag and drop the text editor here, come back to the text, remove everything from here, and after that you have to paste that code. And here you can see the height. Suppose I am taking 300 as height, and the width always you have to make it 100%. But I forgot one thing. Actually, if you come to the demo website, here you can see the subtitle. I mean this one. We are available 24/7 for your help. But in my site there is no subtitle because I forgot to mention the subtitle. If you want to mention the subtitle, you have to just come back, click in the exit to dashboard. So after that, in the page title, here you can see the subtitle. Here you have to mention the subtitle. After that, let me click in the update option. Once it updated, just you have to click in the edit with Elementor again. So now you can see my subtitle is coming perfectly. So after that, I have to design this icon boxes. So for that, click in this. I am taking single row and 4 column because in a single row there are total 4 icon boxes. After that I have to click in this edit session option. Next I have to come back to the advanced option. From here I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 100 and padding bottom also I am taking 100 pixel. Next I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the icon box. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. First of all click in this, and here I have to search for the map because I need this icon. Click in the insert option. And after that the title, that will be address, and here I have to mention my address. After that title HTML tag, make it A6. Next I have to come back to the style option. The primary color, I need this blue color, so I am choosing the blue color here. And after that spacing I am keeping 15 only. Size also I am keeping default. Now directly come back to the content. The color of the title, that will be black color. After that click in the typography. So here I am taking 25 pixel. Let me check how it's looking in the tablet. Okay, it's coming like that. Even in the mobile preview also. Okay, it's perfect. No need to change the size. Now let me come back to the desktop preview again. So remaining I am keeping as it is. After that just right click, click in the copy option, and here I have to paste it. Even here also I have to paste it. Even for the last one also, here also I have to paste it. Now click in the second one, and here I need the headphone icon. So let me search for the headphone here. Suppose I am taking this icon. After that I have to click in the insert option, and here my title will be this one. So just come back here, and here I have to mention that, and that will be my content, and this is my original phone number. If you have any project, always you can contact in this number. So here I have to mention the content, and here actually I have to mention a break row tag, means in bracket you have to mention BR. After that click in the third one. So here I have to search for the envelope icon. I am taking this one, click in the insert, and after that here my title will be this one, email us. Here I have to mention email us, and these are my original email ID. If you have any project, always you can contact in this mail ID also, and let me mention it here. And after that here actually I have to mention a break row tag. After that for the last one I need this icon, and my title will be customer service. So let's come back here and click here. I have to search for the information. I need this icon, click in the insert, and here my title will be customer service. So here actually I have to mention customer service, and after that this content I have to mention here. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. We can easily fix that. Just you have to click in this, and here you have to mention 50. Even for this one also click in this, and here you have to mention 50. And for other two also click in this, and here you have to mention 50. Even for this one also click this, and here you have to mention 50. If you want for the third and the fourth one, you can always give some top margin also. Click in this, come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 10, and even for this one also click in this, and margin top I am making 10. First of all I have to unlock it, and here I have to write 10. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, click in the second one and come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin, and margin top I am taking 10. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design this session, but for designing this session actually I have to create the contact form. For creating the contact form, you have to open the dashboard in a new tab, and after that you have to click in the contact option. After that you have to click in the add new. I am giving the form name as contact simple. After that open the folder which link I already give in the video description. So there you will get a text file name as contact form. Open that, select all, copy everything, close them, and after that select all, remove everything, and paste that code here. And after that you have to click in the save option. So now here you can see there is a error coming. Click on that. So here actually I have to mention your email. Again I have to put a dash, and after that I have to write address. After that you have to click in the save option. So now you can see everything is perfect. So after that again I have to come back here. Once you have to update, because I have to refresh the page for loading the contact form. Now let me click in this refresh option for refreshing the page. So after that scroll down, I have to click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 3 column. After that I have to click in this content width, that will be full width, column gap, make it no gap, trace session yes. After that come back to the style option. I have to click in this. After that I have to click in the plus option for adding a background image. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert media. After that image position, I have to make it center. Next here you can see the size, I have to make it cover. After that background overlay, click in the gradient option. The first color I am taking this one, and next the second color I am taking this one. Here you can see the angle, I have to make it 90. The opacity I am making 0.6. Now I have to come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 160 and padding bottom I am taking 260. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the video button. So here you can see the Litho video button. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now let me change the icon. Click on this, and here I have to search for the play. From here I am taking this icon. Click in the insert. After that come back to the content. In the video URL, let me give one of my own video URL link, and the title, that will be this one. Now come back to the settings. Setting I am keeping as it is, and in the image, the position I have to make it top. After that come back to the style option. So here you can see the icon color. I have to click in the gradient option. The first color I am taking this one. After that the second color I am taking this one. The location I am making 90. After that angle, here also I am making it 90. Next here you can see the background type. Click on the classic, and from here I am choosing the white color. And here you can see the size. I have to make it 26, and icon box size, let me take around 75. After that scroll down, here you can see the icon margin. I have to unlock it, and the left I am taking 8. After that come back to the primary title. So here the color, that will be white color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that just scroll down, click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this, and here I need a inner session. So let me search for the inner session here. Drag and drop the inner session here, but in this inner session I need only single column. So let me delete one. So now in a single row there is only single column, and after that I have to click in this edit inner session option. Now directly come back to me in the advanced option, unlock the margin. The margin I am taking 180, but that should be in minus. After that the padding, first of all I have to click in the rem, and from all side I am taking 8 rem. Another thing I have to do, I have to click in this edit session option. I have to come back to the style option, and I need light gray color background, and after that come back to the layout, enable the trace session. Now again come back to the inner session. So here also I have to come back to the style option. I have to make it white color. After that I have to click in the border option, and from here I have to enable this box shadow. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I need a heading. Let me search for the heading. Just drag and drop the heading here, and my heading content will be this one. So copy it from here, come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that HTML tag I have to make it span and make it center aligned. Next I have to come back to the style option, and from here I have to make it black color. After that I have to click in the typography. In the font weight I have to make it 400. In similar manner I need another heading also. Let me search for the heading, drag and drop the heading downside of that heading, and this time my heading content will be this one. Come back here, and here I have to mention that. After that here also I have to make it center aligned. Next I have to make it H4. After that I have to come back to the style option, and here I have to make it black color. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking only 10 pixel. Next I need a contact form, so I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the contact form 7. Drag and drop the Litho contact form 7 downside of that, and from here I have to choose this one, this contact simple. And after that I have to come back to the advanced option. So in the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking around 10 pixel. Even if you want you can make it 20 also, it's up to you. Now in this inner session actually I need some bottom margin also, around 50 pixel. After that I need another inner session, so again click in this, and here I have to search for the inner session again. Drag and drop the inner session here downside, and here in this inner session actually I need only single column, so right click and click in the delete. Now in this inner session click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the title. Drag and drop the title here like that, and in the title I have to write that. Copy it, come back here, and here I have to mention that. Make it center aligned and make it span, and after that come back to the style option, and here I have to make it black color. Click in the typography, and the font weight I have to make it 400. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin. Margin top I am taking 50. and margin bottom I am taking 100. So now let me check the design in the responsive mode. First of all, let me check the tablet preview. Okay, in the tablet preview it's coming perfectly. So in the tablet preview, click in this, unlock the margin top, let me take around 20, and margin bottom and let me take around 50 pixel. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, first of all I have to click in this edit intersection option, and from here I have to remove the padding. And now the top I am taking 2 rem, even in the bottom also let me take 2 rem. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in this update option. So now let me come back to the desktop preview. So after that I have to design the header. Before designing the header I have to create the blog page also. So for that again I have to click in the exit to dashboard. After that again I have to click in this double option. Again I have to click in the add new option. The page title I am giving as blog, and after that I have to click in the publish option. So after that again I have to click in the double option. Now I have to create the menu bar. So for that hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. So here actually I have to enter the menu name. By default you can see there will be some menu. Just click in this, and after that select everything. Once you select all, after that here you can see the downside remove selected item. Click on that. Everything will be get removed, and after that here I have to enter the menu name. I am giving the menu name as main menu, and after that I have to click in this create menu option. Next I have to select this primary menu option, and from here I have to click in the view all option. So I need home page, blog page, about us page, contact us page, after that order tracking page, and shop page. After that I have to click in the add to menu option. Next I have to arrange them, like first of all I need the home page, after that about us page, next that will be the shop page, after shop page that will be the order tracking page, next the blog page, and last will be the contact us page. Make sure this primary menu should be selected, and after that I have to click in the save menu option. Now as you can see in my demo website, my header is divided in two parts. One is the mini header and another is the main header. So first of all let me come back here. I have to click in this section builder. So first of all I have to create the mini header. Just click in the add new option, and from here I have to choose the mini header, and the name I am giving as mini header only. After that I have to click in the create template option. Next I have to click in this plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. Container width I have to make it full width. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Drag and drop the Litho heading here. So my primary title that will be offer and clone. After that my secondary title will be this one. After that directly come back to the settings option, and here HTML tag I have to make it div. Next I have to come back to the style option, click in the primary title. The color, let me choose the pure white color, and after that click in the typography. I am taking 14 pixel. After that font weight I am taking 500. Next directly come back to the secondary title, and here also click in the solid color, and after that I am choosing this color, I mean light gray color, and after that I have to click in the typography. Even here also I am taking 14 pixel, and the font weight I am taking 500. And another thing I forgot, I have to click in this session, come back to the style option. Here you can see the background, I have to take this color, and come back to the layout option. Here you can see the vertical line, I have to make it middle. Next click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the icon boxes. So here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. The icon will be the phone icon. So let me search for the phone. I need this icon. Click in the insert option. Title not required, and the content will be my phone number. After that icon position, that will be this one, I mean left. Now directly come back to the style option. Here the color that will be pure white color. Spacing I am making it 9. Size I am taking 14. Now click in the content. Vertical aligned I have to make it middle. Color I want light gray color. Even here also I have to take the light gray color. Next I have to click in the typography, and here I have to take 14 pixel, and come back to the content. Actually here I does not need any title, so just remove the title from here. Now come back to the advanced option. Here you can see the width. I have to make it inline auto. And another thing I forgot, select the second column from the navigator window. Here you can see the horizontal align. I have to make it end. Now just right click and click in the duplicate option. Now click in the edit option for the second icon box, and here I need this icon. So what I have to do, here I have to search for the map. I need this icon. Click in the insert option, and after that I need this address. So copy it from here, come back, and here I have to mention that. Next I have to click in the advanced option. After that I have to unlock the margin. Left margin I am taking 10 pixel. So now I think it's looking good. If you want you can make it 20 pixel also, it's up to you. After that I have to select the session, and after that come back to the advanced option, click in the responsive and enable this option, hide on mobile. Now let me check the tablet preview. Suppose in the tablet preview I don't want this address. So what I have to do, I have to click in this edit option and come back to the advanced option. Here you can see the responsive option, and from there enable this option, hide on tablet, and after that you have to enable this one, hide on mobile. So now it's looking quite good. Let me click in this edit option here and unlock the margin. right margin I am taking 10 pixel. Okay, it's perfect now. Let me click in the publish option. Now after publishing, click in this, and after that you have to click in the exit to dashboard. After that again I have to click in the add new option. So now I have to create a header, and from here select the standard and the name I am giving main header. Click in the create template option. So now I have to click in the plus option. I am taking single row and 3 column. After that the content width I have to make it full width. After that I have to click in this edit column option. The width I am taking 25%. Similarly for this one also click in this, and the width I am taking 25%. After that directly come back to the advanced option. Unlock the margin and padding. Padding right I am taking 35. Padding left I am taking 35. And now directly come back to the mobile preview, and here everything should be 0. Now again let me switch back to the desktop preview. Now click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the logo. So here you can see the Litho site logo. Just drag and drop it here. So from here I have to choose the logo. Click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this logo. Click in the insert media. Even for this one also I have to choose the same logo. Select that, and after that I have to click in the insert media. Now for the mobile logo also I have to do the same thing. Click in this. I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. And for this retina logo also I am taking this one and click in the insert media. Now click in the site logo, and after that I have to click in this sticky logo. So in the sticky logo also I have to choose the same image. Scroll down, click in the load more. I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. Even for this one also click in this, and from the media library I am taking the same image, and after that I have to click in the insert media. Here also I forgot to do one thing. I have to click in this section, and vertical aligned I have to make it middle. Now I have to click in the plus option for the middle one, and here I have to search for the mega menu. Drag and drop the Litho mega menu here, and from this drop down I am selecting main menu. Next I have to come back to the style option, make it center aligned. After that directly come back to the top label. Text color I want it should be black color. The hover color that will be deep gray color. The active color also that will be deep gray color. As you can see here, when I hover on that it's become deep gray color. Now I have to click in this plus option here, and here I have to search for the search form. So here you can see the Litho search form. Just drag and drop it here like that. Click in this icon or image. After that I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the search icon. Let me take this one. Click in the insert. Next primary color that will be black color. After that I have to click in this submit button. Here also I have to search for the same icon. I mean this one. Click in the insert, and here also the color will be deep black color. After that come back to the advanced option. The width I have to make it inline auto. Now I have to click in this column, and here the horizontal align I have to make it end. After that click in this, and here I have to search for the cart. So here you can see the Litho mini cart. Just drag and drop it here like that. Here also come back to the style cart icon. The color will be black color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Directly come back to the advanced option. The width I have to make it inline auto. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. After that I have to click in the section, and here come back to the style option. Click in this, and the color that will be white color, and decrease the opacity. I think that's quite perfect. Next I have to click in the update option, and after that I have to check the responsive preview also. So click in this. After that I have to check the tablet preview. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. Now let me check the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that, but I don't want it should be look like that. So for that, first of all let me click in this one, and the column width I have to make it 42. After that click in this one. The column width I am making 10. Next I have to click in this one, and here the column width I am making 48. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So now let me come back to the desktop preview, and after that I have to click in the update option. Next I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. After that I have to hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in the customize option. Now directly come back to the logo and fab icon. So from here first of all I have to click in the select image option. I am selecting this logo and click in the choose image. For the sticky logo also click in this select image option. Again I am taking this image. Click in the choose image. After that for this retina logo also click in this, and from the media library I am taking this image. Click in the choose image. And for this one also sticky retina logo, click in the select image, and again I have to choose the same image. So come back to the media library, click in the load mode option, and again I have to choose the same image. Again I have to click in the choose image. After that just scroll down. So here you can see the select fab icon option is displaying here. Click on that, and from the media library I am taking this image as fab icon. Click in the select, click in the script cropping. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next I have to click in this. After that I have to click in the header and footer. Click in the mini header, and from here I have to choose the mini header, make it on. So now you can see this mini header is appearing perfect. Similarly come back to the header, and here also I have to choose the main header. Okay, as you can see my main header is also coming perfectly. Even the sticky header is also coming perfectly, as you can see here. So after that I have to click in the publish option. So next I have to design the footer, and my footer should be look like that. So for that again I have to click in this cross option. Again I have to click in this section builder. Again I have to click in the add new. After that I have to design the footer. So I am selecting footer, and from here the name I am giving as footer. After that I have to click in the create template. So as you can see here in my footer there are total 4 column. So come back here, click in the plus option, and I'm taking single row and 4 column. Next I have to click in the style option, and from there I need this background color. After that I have to come back to the advanced option. I have to unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 120 and padding bottom I am taking 60. Next I have to click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the heading. Drag and drop the heading here, and my heading will be about company. Come back here, and here I have to mention that. Next, the HTML tag I have to make it div. Come back to the style option, click in the typography. Font size I am taking 15 pixel. Font weight I am taking 500, and the color I want it should be white color. After that again I have to click in this, and here I need a text editor also. So just drag and drop the text editor downside of the heading, and here my content will be this one. After that come back to the style option, click in the typography. Font size I am taking 14. The color I want light gray color. I think that's perfect. Now come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 20. You can do one thing, this gray color, let me make this as a global color because so many time I need this. So just copy the hex code from here, and after that what I have to do, I have to click in this global option, and after that I have to click in this gear icon. So next I have to click in this add color option, and after that here I have to paste that hex code. Next I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, I have to click in this cross option. So after that, as you can see in my demo website, I need these two menus. So for that, let me open the dashboard in a new tab, hover on the appearance, and after that again let me click in the menus. For creating a new menu, I have to click in this option, create a menu, and the menu name let me give footer 1. After that I have to click in this create menu option. So from here I am choosing checkout page, my account page, order tracking page, and contact us page. Let me click in the add menu option. After that I have to click in the save menu option. Next again I have to create another menu. So let me create this option again, create a new menu. This time I am giving the footer name as footer 2, and again I have to click in the create menu option. Now let me click in this WooCommerce endpoint, and from here let me select address, order, account details, and lost password. Click in the add to menu. Next I have to click in the save menu option. After that again I have to come back here, click in the publish once, and after that I have to refresh the page once. Next I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the navigation. So here you can see the Litho simple navigation. Just drag and drop it here like that. The title, that will be company, and from here I am choosing footer 1. HTML tag, let me make it div. Now come back to the style option, click in the menu style, click in the typography, let me take 14 pixel. After that weight I am making it 500. After the color, let me take this color. After that let me click in the title style. So here color, let me choose the white color. Now just right click here, click in the copy, and right click here, and after that you have to click in the paste option, and here my title will be important links, and from here I am choosing footer 2. So after that I have to right click in this, click in the copy, and here right click and click in the paste option, and here my title will be this one. Come back here, and here I have to mention that. Next I need the newsletter, so you can click in this, and here I have to search for the newsletter. Drag and drop the newsletter downside like that. After that directly come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 20. Next again I have to click in this, and here I have to search for the icon list. So here you can see the icon list, just drag and drop it downside. Next come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin, and margin top I am taking 20. Now let me come back to the content, click in the first one. So here I need the phone icon, so let me search for the phone. I need this one, click in the insert, and after that here I have to mention my phone number, that is +91 7842460057, and after that let me click in the second one. So for the second one, here I have to search for the envelope. I need this one, click in the insert, and after that here I have to mention my email ID. I don't need the third one, so just delete that. Now directly come back to the style option, click in the icon, make it white color. The size I am taking 16. Next click in the text, click in the typography, I am taking 14, and after that the color I want this color. Okay, now it's really looking good. So after that again I have to click in this plus option, and again I am taking single row and 3 column. Now let me click in this edit section option, and vertical line I have to make it middle. Come back to the style option, and here the background color I am choosing dark black color. Next come back to the advanced option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 10, and padding bottom also I am taking 10 pixel. Next here I have to click in the plus option, and here let me search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, you have to click in the insert media. After that come back to the style option, and here width I have to make it 50%. Next here I have to click in the plus option. First of all let me increase the width little bit, click in this and make it 50. After that I have to click in the plus option, and here let me search for the heading. So drag and drop the heading here like that, and my heading will be this one, this copyright tagline. So let's come back here, and here I have to mention that. Next HTML tag, that will be div. Come back to the style option, Here I have to make it pure white color, and after that come back to the typography. Here the font weight I am making it 400, remaining I am keeping as it is. Now click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the social. So here you can see the Litho social, just drag and drop it here, and by default as you can see here there are Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. If you want to add more, then again you have to click in this add item. Suppose I want to add the YouTube, so click in this, and from here let me search YouTube. So click in this, click in the insert. After that let me copy my YouTube channel link, come back here, and here I have to mention the link. Similarly click in the Facebook, and here you have to enter the Facebook link. After that similarly here you have to enter the Twitter link, and here you have to enter your LinkedIn profile link. Next come back to the settings and make it right aligned. Come back to the style option. Here you can see the color, I have to make it pure white color. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. After that let me click in the update option. Now let me check the tablet preview. So click in the tablet. So in the tablet preview it's coming like that. I think it's perfect, no need to change anything. Just you have to click in this, and I have to increase the padding little bit. Like top I am taking 15 and bottom also I am taking 15, and here you have to click in this and make it 30. Okay, everything is perfect now. Even if you want you can decrease the font size a little bit. Click in this, and the font size let me take 12. Next I have to click in this and make it 20. Similarly here also click in this and make it 20. After that I have to click in this and make it 35. Next I have to come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview it's coming like that. Just click in this one, make it 50. Even for this one also click in this and make 50. After that I have to click in this one and come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top let me take around 20. Okay, now everything looking quite perfect. And here in the footer bottom area I have to click in this text option, come back to the advanced option and unlock the margin top I am taking 10 pixel. And after that I have to click in this social and come back to the content, click in the settings. In the settings I have to make it center aligned. Come back to the advanced option, unlock the margin top I am taking 10 pixel. Okay, now it's perfect. Next I have to click in the update option. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this. After that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. Next again hover on the appearance and click in the customize option. So after that I have to click in the header and footer. From there click in the footer, and from this drop down I am choosing footer. After that I have to click in the publish option. Once you published, just scroll down. So as you can see here my footer is appearing perfectly. Now I have to set the default home page and blog page. So for that again click in this cross option, scroll down, hover on the settings and click in the reading. After that I have to click in this option, and from the drop down for the home page I am selecting home, and for the post page I am selecting blog. Next I have to click in the save changes option, but there is a problem. When I am scrolling the website, in the downside here you can see this join our newsletter portion not displaying properly. So for that let me click in this edit with Elementor option. Now just scroll down. So here what I have to do, click in this edit session option, come back to the advanced option. So here you can see the Z index, I have to make it 3. After that I have to click in the update option. Now let me check the preview. So now as you can see it's coming perfectly. But another problem I observe, when I am scrolling actually the sticky menu is not coming properly. So for that what I have to do, I have to come back to the dashboard, and after that I have to click in the section builder. Next come back to the header. Next I have to click in this main header, scroll down. So here you can see the sticky type, I have to make it sticky on up scroll. Now scroll up and click in the update option. Once it updated, again come back to the section builder. Now click in this mini header. Again I have to scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the sticky type, I have to make it non-sticky. Scroll up, click in the update option. Next I have to come back to this website, and after that I have to refresh the page once. So now let me check the performance. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. As you can see here it's just appearing perfect. So after that let me design the page title portion for the shop page. As you can see here in my website it's coming like that, but in my demo website if you see it's coming like that. It's really looking awesome. For creating this kind of page title session, so again I have to click in this section builder. After that come back to the page title, click in the add new. So from here I have to choose page title, and here I am giving the name as shop page. After that I have to click in this create template option. Now let me click in this plus option. I am taking single row and single column. After that from here I have to make it full width, column gap make it no gap, enable trace session yes. After that click in this and drag and drop the Litho page title here like that, and from this drop down I am selecting big typography. Now let me click in the title. The title I want shop page. The subtitle that will be this one. Click in the background. Let me choose the background from the media library. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. After that click in the breadcrumb. Not needed, so disable it. Scroll to down, I mean this icon, that also not required, disable that. Click in the settings, let me make it 300. Come back to the style option, unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking 80. Padding bottom also I am taking 80. Now for the tablet it will be, first of all I have to unlock it, top 60 and bottom also 60. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview. Clicking the title. From here clicking the gradient. The starting color I am taking this one. Location that will be -50 and the secondary color I am taking this one. Angle let me make it 40. Clicking the typography. Size I am taking 24. Font weight I am making it 500. Now come back to the subtitle. Clicking the typography. Clicking the rem and make it 3. After that the color, clicking this and I need dark black color. Remaining I am keeping as it is. After that I have to click in the publish option. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this, click in the exit to dashboard. After that I have to come back to the pages. So from there I have to search for the shop page, click on that. Next I have to come back to the page title settings, make it on and click in this, select shop page, scroll up, click in the update option. Now let me come back here and refresh the page once. Okay, now it's coming perfectly. So next I have to design the sidebar for the shop page. As you can see here in the demo website, my sidebar is coming like that. It's really looking professional. So for that what I have to do, again I have to come back to the dashboard. Next I have to hover on the appearance and after that I have to click in the widget. So now in this widget area I have to scroll down and here you can see the shop sidebar. Click on that. After that I have to click in the plus option. First of all I need the price filter, so I have to search for the price. So here you can see the filter product by price. Click on that. After that again I have to click in the plus option. Here I need a heading. Let me search for the heading now. Click on that. My heading will be filtered by category and I have to make it H4. After that I have to click in this plus option again and here I have to search for the category. So here you can see the product category list. So after that scroll down, again I have to click in the plus option. Now here I have to search for the attribute. So here you can see the filter product by attribute. Click on that and from here I am choosing capacity. After that I have to click in the done. So the filter by capacity is coming. Next again I have to click in this plus option. Again I have to search for the attribute and again I have to click in this. And now I am choosing color. Again I have to click in the done option. Again I have to click in the plus option and here again I have to search for the attribute. Click in this and now I am choosing size. Again I have to click in the done option. So everything coming here. Next I have to click in the update option. Once everything updated, come back here and refresh the page once. So now as you can see my sidebar is coming but it's appearing in the right hand side, but I want it should be appear in the left hand side. So for that again come back here. After that I have to click in the customize option. Now from there I have to click in this layout and content. After that I have to click in this one shop page and from there I have to choose this one. After that I have to click in the publish option and in the downside here you can see in a single row how many columns should be displayed. I mean in a single row how many products should be displayed. Suppose from here I am choosing 4 and after that I have to click in the publish option. Now how many product per page it should be shown. Suppose I am making it 24. Again let me click in the publish option. Now let me come back here and refresh the page once. So as you can see here now my sidebar is coming at the left hand side and in a single row total 4 products are showing. Next another thing I have to set up also. Come back here, scroll up, click in this, again click in this, come back to the WooCommerce and after that I have to click in the product image and here you have to click in this uncropped. After that I have to click in the publish option. Now I can come back here and refresh the page once. So now you can see my products are appearing in full size. It's not cropping. So I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt always you can ask me in the comment section. And my humble request, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any project then please contact with me with the given information which is appearing on the screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.